Uh, okay, guys, you're welcome to today's program. I'm so sorry that I took a little bit time to start today on. So I'm just coming back from school. Like every Wednesday I do come back a little bit late. So what you're going to be discussing today is what is love and can love be fade away? You understand? So so many of us out there, we always talk about I love you, I love you, I love you, but believe me, 90% or 80% of people saying I love you, they don't really know what love is all about. You understand? So, but you guys know how I normally do it on the program. You call in, you send in your own point of view, then you tell us what you think you have in mind about the topic we are discussing. Okay, so like I said, today's topic is what is love that everybody always say I love you, I love you, I love you. So what is that mean of that love, and can love fade away? So like I said, you guys know how we do it on this program. You call in, you tell us where you're calling from and your name, then so that people will benefit from your own contribution. So like we all know that this program is titled Let's Educate Each Other, let's educate one another. Nobody knows it all. You understand? Because if you know it all, that means we should find another planet for you to go and stay. Because in this planet we are in, this planet Earth that everybody knows that we are in, is everyday learning. You understand? So like we do this program every Wednesday and Sundays in order to educate ourselves and help us to know some of the things we don't really know. You understand? So for the benefit of those that join us for the first time, let me repeat it one more time. We do this program every Wednesday by 9 p.m. and every Sunday by 9 p.m. So we share the program, invite your friends, let's hear their own contribution, let's know what they have in their mind or their own point of view, because what you know might quite be different from what I myself know. And what I know is definitely going to be quite different from what you know. So that's how we come up with this program that let everybody to participate by calling in or by sending your text. If you send in your text, I will read it out. People that are watching, you know, we follow up and hear your own opinion. If you can call and talk, then I myself just send in the thing and I will read it out. Please, for let me drop this brief information. Don't message me on my inbox right now, because if you're expecting me to reply your message in my inbox, I can't do that, because right now I'm live and we are dealing with a serious topic and a serious issue. So if you expect me to reply you why you send me a message, I'm so sorry to disappoint you. I can't do that for you, okay? So just whatever you want to tell me, just write it in and I will read it out for people to hear what you want to say. And if you can call, you call. I'll bring you up to the camera. Then you say your mind. And remember that nobody's thoughts or nobody's mind is evil to him or her. Understand? Whatever you feel, just say it out. No one is entitled to harm you or do you anything. Understand? So I'm your presenter. My name is Chris Nkume. For those that cannot pronounce the name, I'm Chris Nkume. Understand? So the topic we are dealing on today is what is love and can love fade away? So like the presenter, I have to show an example. Understand? Because they said if you are as in teaching someone how to do something, you have to show an example of what. So in my own point of view, what I think I have to throw more light about this love issue of a thing. So I will do that before I will go to the comment box, because so many comments are coming in already, and some other things are, and some people are even calling to. I can't accept call for now. I have to do one or two things before I started accepting calls. So in my own idea, in my own perspective of this topic we are discussing today, what is love? Because this question coming during the week. Love is what you feel and you proceed by putting it into action. Not just by saying I love you, I love you. Love is not by saying, you understand? Love is not just by saying or doing, in kind of, there are some people that just say I love you just to win, just to get one or two things from you, or just to gain access to you so easily by saying I love you. But when you really know who truly loves you is by action. You know, love is when you are in a deep mess and you sacrifice your own happiness just to make someone else to be happy. That's what I that's what me as in that's what I myself classify as love. Not when you are as in you are seeking for your own selfish interest. You understand? It doesn't make sense, and it can't lead you to anywhere. Okay, so love is what you feel and what you give out in action, not saying I love you, I love you. Anybody can say I love you, but at the end of the day, when it comes to showcase it, then that is when we really know who really loves you. Then in the issue of talking about does love really fade away, yes, I think genuine love doesn't fade away, but those people used to say I love you, I love you. Believe me, guys. Definitely, there's a time you come to that love will definitely fade away, because you know some loves get some to love someone get some categories. You know, some people may love you by the way you look, by the way you act, by the way you do one or two things. They will say, I love this guy, I love this guy, I love this guy. But exactly, for instance, now let's say maybe they love the way you look handsome or you look pretty and that kind of a thing. They say I love you, I love you. At a point, for instance, God forbid something happened to that pretty face or that pretty body. Believe me, that's how the love will just fade away once. So that's how I classify my own thing, as in that's how I mean my own little knowledge, you know, like we call this program Nobody Knows It All. So that's what I feel. I know that I've tried to do a little bit justice to this topic. So right now I'll be accepting calls and I will start reading out the comments. But remember the rules for the program. You call in, you tell us your name and where you're calling from, and please, some people are complaining that when some people call, they do turn off their lights. Please, if you call and you want us to benefit from you as well, please just turn on your lights so we can really know who is talking to us and where you're talking to us from and where you're calling from, so we can be able to benefit and also share ideas together. This program is just to share ideas together and rub minds together. Okay, no insults. Please don't call someone, don't start abusing word on anybody at all. Just make your point and give chance so other people can be able to also contribute to the program. So right now I'll go to the comment box, and also the line is also always open. Just call in, I'll bring it to the camera, then you say, as in, tell us what you think about the topic we are discussing today. Like I say, if you are joining us for the first time, we do this every Wednesday and Sundays, starting from 9 p.m. at night. So the topic for today is what is love? That people always say I love you, I love you. I really want us to talk about this issue of what is love and can love fade away. So just call in and bring your own contribution. So let me go to the comment board before I bring some people to the camera. Jeffrey Aguero just make a point. Okay, Michelle said hello, good evening, you are welcome to the program for today. Mike Sama said hi, okay, you're welcome. Miss Grace said hello, good evening everyone, okay, you're welcome. Love It Good said good evening, okay, you're welcome to the program. It's Prince said good to hear that, okay, you're welcome. Then Love It Good said nice one. Okay, that's how we are going to be doing it today. You send in your comments or you call in, I'll bring you to the camera, then you make your own point of view. For instance, there's sometimes in this program we do encounter some little breakup from the network. So if you are trying to call and you cannot be able to reach on calls, please write it on comment box and send it in, and I will read it out. But if you can be able to tell me you're calling, I will check out the names I have on the add up list. If I see your name there, I can be able to try my as much as possible to also know if I can be able to bring you up to the camera through this medium. So please, that's how we are going to be doing today's on this particular edition of Let's Educate Each Other. Let's educate one another. Okay. You share, okay. It's Prince said, it's my first day. Okay, you're welcome to the program. Just give me a little moment, I will explain how the program functions. Okay, you're welcome to the program. You share said, I not can listen your voice. Okay, maybe you are talking about you cannot hear me enough. Okay, maybe I should, increase my, my voice a little bit for you to understand what I'm saying. Okay, for it's Prince that joined us for the first time today. The program, let me just brief you a little bit how the program used to function. The program, we do it every, I hope you're hearing me, it's Prince. Okay, we do the program every Sunday and every Wednesday and every Sunday, just 2 times in a week, and you start exactly 9 o'clock. Sometimes if I didn't come back on time from where I went to, we may start a little bit 10 minutes late, but definitely we do it 9 o'clock every Wednesday and Sundays. Then that's one. Then secondly, we open the line. Then if you have anything to tell us about the topic we are discussing, either you write it on the comment box, or you can call me and I'll bring you to the camera. Then everybody will be watching. Then you now make your own point of view, what you think about the topic we are discussing. Like we have started this program, if I'm not mistaken, if I'm not lying, we have started this program for like getting to a month now, and so many calls have been coming from different countries, like Switzerland. Like the white woman, I say she's not hearing me well, she calls from Switzerland, from Germany, from Greece, from Holland, from Norway, different part of, even Ghana, Nigeria. People do come from every part of the world to contribute to this program. The motive of this program for us to educate ourselves, we youth. Most problem we are having as a youth these days is problem of knowing the right person to work with in our life. Understand? So that's why God gave me. I will just say that God gave me this inspiration to come up with this kind of a thing, and I need more encouragement from you guys to encourage this program the more by inviting and by sharing it to let your friends to join us, because what you know might be quite different from what your friends know. So the purpose of this program is, as you can see the title when I write over there, I said let's educate each other. That's the title of the program. Then each program we have, we bring different topic. Like I've discussed so many topic, like what's the problem between Nigerian girls friending Nigerian boys in Europe, or so many topic like why is it that women or men, why is it that people cheat in relationship? So many. You can go through my wall and watch so many of this program, so many videos for this one, because I don't normally delete the program. After doing it, I will share it, so you can also, those that we are not able to watch during the program, can also be able to hear what people said and also benefit from that. So that's just the second part for the explanation. Then the third part is, when you call, please make sure you put on your lights and you tell us your name and where you're calling from. Then you go straight ahead and make your own contribution. So that's how the program functions. There's nothing much about that. So it's Prince. I hope you just got what I just explained now. So like we normally do it every, so we are also doing it today as well. The topic for today is, what is love? That people always say I love you, I love you. I really want to know what is love, and can love fade away? That's just the topic we are talking about today. So what you think, that as in your own imagination, your own understanding, the way you understand love, your own person, just let us know. I have already said the way I understand mine, and I know you guys have heard what I said, and I believe you guys are gonna benefit one or two things from that. And I also want to benefit, and I also want to hear from you guys as well. So let me go back to the comment box and see what we have there. So it Prince said yes. Okay, Miss Grace said love is a very strong feeling of affection towards someone who you are romantically or sexually attracted to. Wow. He said love is the feeling that a person's happiness is very important to you, and the way you show the feeling is your behavior towards them. Wow, exactly what I'm just saying. Just throw more light on that. Thank you very much for that wonderful contribution. That one comes from from our contributor from all the way from Italy, if I'm not mistaken, Miss Grace. Okay, thank you for that wonderful contribution. Then it Prince said, okay, so I'm glad that you understand what you just explained about how the program functions. Then Esther Anderson said, good evening. Okay, you're welcome to the program for today. You know how we normally do it. You are not new here, so you know how we do it. So let me just still bring back the topic for today. The topic for today still remains, what is love, and can love fade away? That's just the topic for today. Let's really know what everybody just saying I love you, because I believe there's a very big difference between I love you and I like you. So, but that should be something that we should do next time. The big difference between I like you and I love you, because so many people so many people are misunderstanding that word. You understand? So that's why we are doing this program. At least we are young. Well, most of us that are watching this program our young people, our youth. So I think the person that bring this topic for today is also a youth. So maybe they really want to clear some guys and some things out so that some people can know exactly what they are going into. Like what Mrs. Grace, sorry to call you Mr. Grace, like just what Miss Grace just said. He said, love is something you feel, is an affection and sexually attracted to. You see, let me be honest with you. I don't know this before. I don't know this thing she just said now is a little bit different from what I myself just said before. But at least I picked some things from what she just said. So that's the purpose of this program, just to educate, just for us to learn. She had just shared her own ideas now, and I'm glad at least I picked something from there. And I also believe that you guys also pick some other things from the what she just said. Please, like I said before, please, you guys, anybody that is sending me direct message, I won't read it because I'm not going to go out from this life I'm doing and start reading your messages. It can't happen. So it's better for you to just come here and send the message you want to send. Let everybody hear what you want to say. I don't like hiding things. That's why I bring up this life. Okay, come in, I'll bring you in. Then you say what you want to say. I don't like all this seek and hide stuff. If you know you can't call, you can't make your own contribution, stop sending me message. You're disturbing my life, please. I'm telling you, whoever is sending this message, please just stop. You're disturbing what I'm doing. Okay, thank you very much for understanding. Then let me still go back to the comment box and see what we have there. S. Anderson said good evening, and Michelle said, many tell I love you after 5 minutes. Wow, some men. Okay, many tell I love you after 5 minutes. Wow, some men see and women. I don't really understand what you're trying to say, but I've just read what you just wrote. There's no problem for that. Then John Paul said, good evening, guys. Okay, you're welcome to the program. He said today's topic is nice. Okay, you're welcome. Thank you for that recommendation. So I'm still waiting. Keep on sharing the program. Keep on inviting your friends. Let us do justice to this topic today and see and learn as much as possible. Let's try and learn what we are to see if we can achieve something from or learn from each other tonight. Okay, I believe that this topic is a very nice one, so that when someone tell you I love you, you can't just believe what he just said, I love you. You believe that through the action and through what he has, through how he behaves towards you. Because our sister Miss Grace just said it all. He said it's based on feeling and who you have sexually attached to it or something like that. Maybe yeah, just say something like that. So I've also made my own point, and some people are still, it has not been long we started the program. I know that the notification is still going around telling people how. We have our sister in the building again. Selling Gianfranco said hello. Okay, you're welcome to the program for today. You're highly welcome. You're one of us. You always contribute earnestly to this program, so you're not a newcomer in this program. You're welcome once again. Selena Gianfranco, John Paul, Michelle, Miss Grace, as many S.A. Anderson. It's Praise. Yeah, guys, it's Praise. It's Prince said is joining us for the first time today. He's joining us for the first time today. So let us welcome him and let him feel at home. Okay, I know you are going to enjoy this program for today, because I believe that everything's gonna be fine. So Juliet said hi, pass. Okay, you're welcome to the program. I guess this is my first time of seeing this name in this program, so I guess you're also new in this program. You're welcome. So I guess you guys have seen the topic the live video, or if you really don't understand what the topic is all about, you can still ask them. I will explain the topic for you, then you make your own contribution and let's us learn from each other. That's how we normally do it every Wednesday from 9 o'clock and every Sunday from 9 o'clock as well, 2 times in a week. I guess, guys, that 2 times a week is not it's not that much. Okay, we have a caller in the building, so let's welcome him. See what he has to contribute to us, and also hear from him. To doing okay.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, bro.
You're welcome to the program. Good evening. What's your name and where you're calling from?
My name is Prince, and I'm calling from Italy,
Okay.
Torino, outskirts of Aosta.
Okay. You're welcome to the program.
Thank you very much, my bro.
Okay.
This my book. The first time I see you or what time we are saying something. I say, on my phone, something like it used to exist.
Yeah.
I was so graced to
Yeah.
hear something like this.
Okay.
Probably what you are talking about that love. When we are saying love, there is real love. When you see somebody, you know that this person love me.
Okay.
And in other circumstance, when you see somebody, you say, maybe just what I have or what I have or what I have already expect of seeing on my hand is
Yeah.
because that one is so in love with me.
Okay.
That's why you say there is true love, there is not true love. That's why they say there is two types of love.
Okay.
Some they don't depend of anything. It's just how you just like. They just like you. Just like that. Nobody can
Okay.
even defend them. Say can defend them. Say no, that boy is not good or this the other girl is not good
Okay.
because it's your heart. You love it. It's your heart. You love it.
Okay. You are talking
That
that
is my
that means the love is natural. That's what you're trying to. Yeah.
yeah. That's what I'm trying. That's what I'm trying to say. The love is natural.
Okay. So guys in the building,
That's it.
you have heard it's a very much impressive that our first timer that watching this program for the first time has already called in to make his own wonderful contribution. So it's praise. Thank you very much for your own wonderful contribution. I pray that you just stay behind and still watch what people are going to
Oh
contribute
no,
to understand.
no problem.
So
No problem about that. You already seen. You say every Thursday and Sunday. You say
everyone
we
sorry, it's
start
every
by 8 o'clock.
Wednesday and Sundays
Oh,
from
I'm sorry. You
yeah,
say every Wednesday and Sunday.
Sunday.
Say
Yeah,
we
from
start. You
9 o'clock.
start the 9 o'clock. But
Yeah, 9 o'clock.
if you went out, you didn't come back. You came back late. Then it
Yeah.
will be after
Let's say
8.
10 minutes after
Yeah,
9.
after 9
Yeah,
it will 10 minutes after 9.
yeah, exactly.
That's good. That's good. I love that.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, let me go back to the comment, but just step back and watch others, okay? That's it's Prince from Italy. He just called in and made his own contribution. He said that for him that the love is they have two types of love, natural love and material love. Okay, you guys heard it from him. I'm not the one that's saying it now. He made it sound and clear to everybody that we have two types of love, material love and natural love. Then he went ahead and said that in material love, because you see one or two things in that girl's hand or in that boy hand, it was because of that thing, that thing attracted you to him or her. Then he now went in the other hand and said the natural love is when no one can be able to deceive you, no one can be able to tell you something about that person you're dating or that person you're in love with that you ever agree with. So that's why he called it natural love. Okay, so you guys, you can see I don't know this before, and this is my first time of hearing material love and natural love. You see, the program is getting more interesting. At least some of you may have not heard it before, and some of you may have heard it before, but you are hearing it for the second time. So that's how it goes. So please keep on sharing the program, keep on inviting your friends, because I believe that they have something different to tell us from what you know or what I know, and I believe that it's going to be absolutely going to be as in understandable for each other. Okay. Isava Uba said, sure, let's educate each other. Okay, thank you for that. You really know what you're talking about. Let's educate each other, because if you don't learn, my brother, my sister, I don't think you can be able to move forward, because they said it's what you know that will sustain you. It's what you learn that will make you to be exposed to some kind of issues when it comes up. Because I believe if you have been following this program, let me just tell one thing about this program. If you have been following this program and tomorrow you got married, at least you will see that there are some issues that will come up in your marriage, or that we don't pray that issues come up in your marriage, but at least there are some issues that will come up. You see that this kind of, I've already had some experience in this area before. There's one program I always watch that give me inspiration, and I learn a lot of things from my friends and from other people. So if I apply this and apply this, definitely I'm going to get my result and the problem will be solved. So that's how That's the main purpose of this program. In case you're, as in, whatever, as in, don't feel that the topic we are discussing here, and I'm the only one bringing topic, or as in telling what is happening. No, the program is for everybody. Like I always said, it's for everybody, not just for only Chris and Kume alone. No, it's for everybody. It's for the whole wide world. From wherever you're calling from wherever you're watching from, you can send in your question. That whatever it might not be about relationship, might not be about love or about marriage or anything, but anything you feel like in this area I'm not too clear about what is going on in my life or what is going on in this area. I really want to know what is really happening. You understand? Then you come up with your question, you come up with whatever you feel like, okay, maybe I have to bring this question, then send it directly to my inbox. That's when I authorize you to send a message to my inbox during the program. Then send it to my inbox, then maybe on Sunday, but quite all right. Maybe topic for on Sunday, as in Sunday program. The topic for on Sunday program, as in, is already on my, as in, is already been sent to me. You understand? So the topic we are going to be discussing on Sunday, I already have it. I already have them. So you just let for a few days for us to discuss it on Sunday. So the earlier you send in your questions, the earlier you bring it up to the program, we discuss about it. You can learn one or two things from that. So that's just the main purpose of this program. So someone else have just sent his own you know, his own comment. He said, this one is coming from John Paul. He's all the way from France. He said, love is not what you say, but it's what you can do. Okay, almost exactly what I was trying to say before. He said, I might tell you I love you, but the most important thing is that what have I impart in you and the relationship. So love is not what you say. Well, that's good, that's nice. That one is coming from John Paul all the way from France. Okay, so you see that so many people are joining us in this program, both from France, different parts of the world. So this topic we are really talking about this night, I know that so many people just fall a victim of like instead of love, because they feel like, okay, this guy love me, but quite all right. Most especially girls. Some guys will just tell you that maybe the guy may have tried to get you to his bed or to do one or two things to you, and you feel that doing that might take a long process. You just come in with a formula, said I love you. I know I love you, just a simple word that anybody can say. Even goat, even rat, even pussycat can even say I love you. Dog can even say I love you. You know, just in order just to get what he or she wants. As it is in boys, that's how it is also in girls. You understand? So the main thing about this, yeah, about this topic tonight is just for us to, not that we know it all. That's why we say let's educate one another. Understand? When you like this one, John Paul just said now, it depends on what impacts in that person. Relationship or love of a thing, it doesn't only based on material things. Or I don't even like it's praise that just called a few minutes back. He just said that they have two type of love. You understand? Material love and this thing, what they call it, and natural love. You understand? Just to get what they want, they just say I love you. Once they don't sleep with you, my guy, once that guy don't sleep with you, might even speak small pidgin English, may we still the follow up, understand. Once the guy don't sleep with you, well, the next thing you go tell you say which kind of your love be that one? Who I don't sleep with you, waiting which love I want come the talk again. Love no dey exist for in dictionary. You don't get what you want get, you understand. So you have to, but when you see this, when you join in this kind of program and you understand the meaning of love, you can't just rush into relationship or because of someone said I love you, you just jump into and do I. Before you know, yeah, you don't break my heart, you don't form my hand. After everything I did, after giving him my body, after doing all this thing, you just disappoint me. So the main point of this program is just for you to know the real fact about I love you that someone tell you. Someone can tell you I love you. Fine, quite all right. It's not prohibited. It's not forbidden for someone to tell you I love you. Then you accept it. Then you have to give him as in time for, because I believe that love grows. You cannot just see someone today just say, and you cannot like what if you watch some white ladies or white men, you can't just tell them say I love you today. You just go to bed with you sharply. No, it can never happen. If you tell a white lady I love you today, it will take her some months. She will accept the relationship, but she will accept the love, but she can never go down to bed with you immediately. It will take her some months and let that love grow between two of you. But in terms of we Africans, as in, the thing is just like, going out of hand. Once you just tell a girl I love you, the next thing she have in mind is that this guy want to sleep with me, or this guy want to have sex with me. No, there's a very long distance and a very big difference between love, sex, and like. You understand? So many people can travel different miles just to go and have sex, okay? But genuine love doesn't just start up immediately. It grows. They nurture it. It's just like when you plant a flower. You understand? In the morning you pour it water. In the afternoon you pour it water. In the evening you pour it. That flower can never die. By pouring this, what I'm talking about is not just by we hang out, you drink, you do. No, even if you don't hang out, but at least there's some word you be telling the person, as in the person. I can't really just pour, as in I wish I can pour all the thing I have in my brain to explain this more, to spend more about this love issue of a thing. So please, guys, line are open. Please just call. I can't just be doing the talking only me. I really want to see your own comments. Let's just make this program an interesting one. Keep sharing the program. Invite your friend. Let us also hear from them as well. So let me quickly go back to the comment box before I come back to what I'm saying. Jamendra Noni said Leo, okay. Jamendra Noni said, how Pussycat take the say I love you. My guy, if you want to hear that one, go buy Pussycat for my. If he say meow, I love you, that's how. If you hear Pussycat language, no, we start to hear Pussycat language, but I'm just telling you the fact, as in anybody can say I love you. You should know where I'm driving at. Okay. Michelle said, love is not only when someone is good time, then also when you have bad time. Yes, you see what I'm saying? You see, this is our contributor from all the way from Switzerland, the white man that always follow us in this program. He said that love is not only when that person is in good time. Maybe the guy, they buy you beer, they buy you clothes, they give you money, they say I love you, I love you, I love you. What about when that guy or that girl doesn't have anything to show for? Will that love still there? Will that love still exist? That's just the real truth. She just said it now. You guys, I believe you guys can also read. I'm just reading it out for people to understand what is going on in this group, how it normally function. You understand? It's not when that person is good how will I put it, in good condition. Maybe you have cars, you have mansion, he can take you out and can close one boutique for you. Buy material things, but as soon as something happened, something went wrong, and that person could not even feed one square meal a day, then you will not see that you will not start abusing that person, different kind of abuse. My friend, is not like that. Let me finish up. Let me go back to the comment box. Now, Selena Gianfranco said, love is when you take away the feelings, okay, passion and romance of a relationship, and find out you still love and care for that person. Love exists when you are with the right person. Love is just like when a door is being shut shut out you, another door is actually open to receive you. Love is beautiful when there is truth. You see, as in, guys, I don't really know this topic tonight. Really need to discuss more about this. You see what our sister from all the way from Spain just said now. He said, because she always joins us on this program every time we are doing this program. So he said that love is just like, love is when you take away. Let me really emphasize on this thing she said here. She said love is when you really take away the feelings, take away the romance, take away the sex, take away every emotion attached to it, and you find out that that person still exists in you. I don't know if you are getting what she's trying to explain here. When you take away romance, take away feelings, take away everything, and at the end of the day, you see that the person name and everything concerning that person still rings in your head, still rings in your memory. No matter how hard you try to forget the person keep on ringing in your memory. That's when you know that this is a true love. And true love doesn't count. We have another caller in the building. Before I continue, let's bring that person to the camera before I continue. So love doesn't count.
Yeah, yeah.
Good evening.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
welcome to the program. Please, where are you
Oh, my
calling?
boy.
Your name and where you're calling from? Hello,
How far, my boy?
I'm good. Where are you calling from? And what's your name?
It's your brother Mike, boy.
Okay, where are you calling from?
From Foligno.
Okay, what do you
From
have to tell us?
Umbria.
Okay, what do you have to tell us about this topic we are discussing today?
I don't hear you well.
What do you have to tell us about the topic we are discussing today on the program?
Okay.
Oh, we lost that caller. Maybe he didn't understand the purpose of the program. Maybe he just want to say hi to me or something like, because he's my friend, you know me in person, so he just want to say hi to me. He thought I was just doing ordinary life, because he's also surprised to see me doing live, because I don't normally do live. Whenever I see me doing live, I have message to pass across. So that's how it goes. So quickly, let me go back to what I was saying about what Gianfranco just said. So it's when you take away all these feelings, romantic words, all those things, and you see that even if they are killing you, as in they are killing your enemy, or people are saying a man of sort of nonsense about the person, at the end of the day, you still find out that more they are saying it, more the love is growing more and more. That's when you know that this is a true love. And if you find such, let me just say this word, if you find such love, or maybe you are into it already, please don't let it go. Don't let it go. Because no matter what, is it when they used to know true love is when that person is, there's a two categories. As in, for me, I think there's a two category to really know when someone is really in love with you. I think one is when that person is sick. How were you able to take care of that person, and how do you show your emotion? How do you really, were you there to take care of him or her, or in during a hard time when she or he doesn't have anything to show for? How do you encourage that person? How do you relate to that person during those hard times? There's one thing that I really want to say in this program, and I would really like if someone can really say a little something about it. Have you ever seen a guy or a girl that have any relationship with anybody at all, and when they set up this relationship and they don't have anything to show for it, at the end of the day, two of them hustle together and make their living? Have you ever seen have you ever seen them broken up before? Have you ever seen their love fade away for each other? It can never happen, because when it was hard time, they still to each other, they stay with each other, as in they make it, as they make it up as a team to fight for their love and make it work. At the end of the day, they end up achieving success. So that's just it. Let me quickly go back to the comment box, because it seems like this night we are going to do much on on comments, not scores, but nevertheless the line is still open, and the comment box is still open. Like the one coming from Selena Jane Franco, he said exactly okay. We heard you. And John Paul said love is beautiful, good, sweet, and hot, but the most important thing is affection of the two people. Okay, you guys can see it. And Jane Franco, I believe she said no based on what I just said. So if you stay together and hustle together and build your love together, believe me, no one can be able to separate both of you. No matter what family will say, no matter what friends will say, no matter who may come in and to bring any bad information about one another, if you guys really build that love together. Because like I said, when I was explaining my own what I understand by love, I said that love is just like a flower that you planted. Not just only flower, as in just take it. People that are cultivating at the village, there are people that in Nigeria that are doing farm work, not only in Nigeria, all over the world, those that are doing farm work. You can ask them. They don't cultivate during dry season, because why? If they cultivate during dry season, definitely the plant will die. I hope you guys are getting me. Why they plant during rainy season? Because rain will always water it morning, afternoon, night, morning, afternoon, night. That's how the plant will not germinate. It will not grow and yield fruit that you and I will be eating. For instance, if you plant corn during dry season, during Hamatan or during summer, You cannot germinate. You cannot get something to eat out of that corn. Just wasted product. It's just a wasted product. That's how it is. You understand? But when you plant it during rainy season, that at least even if you can be able to go and water it, at least definitely God will send down rain. Rain will fall and fall on it. Give it just a little period of time. It will germinate that corn that you and I is eating. That's how love is just like. That's exactly how love is just like, because someone that really love you doesn't love you that moment just to expect sex from you that moment. No, you guys have to build that love to make it strong, that even if someone else come and tell you, I saw your boyfriend, I saw your girlfriend at that junction with a so person, you hear it quite alright, but as a woman, you may have double mind and say, maybe it's true or maybe it's not true. But if you guys build your love together, and now you know that yes, I really love this person and I trust what he can do, then you take it and you just leave it out. When you guys are in good mood and you guys will definitely see, you take it and just say, honey or baby or whatever you call yourself, and say, where were you as in a few minutes ago, something that I heard something about, but I believe that it's not true. Tell me that it's not true. You open up. Even if yes, quite alright, they saw him or they saw her with a girl or a boy, definitely there's a reason for that. Maybe if she's now start hiding things from you, then my brother or my sister, that's how you know that the love is have started fading away. You understand? Because all we are getting here from the answers you guys are giving, you're only talking about love. I only want us to talk about how did love also fade away. Because I heard some people also say, my love don't fade away for this kind of person. I don't even tire myself. Thing don't even tire me. Said that kind of love don't even tire me. Yeah, that's what I really want to know. Does love, if that person can just say it don't tire me, did that person really love before? Did he or she really love that person before? You understand? That's just the main thing. Let's just do this topic, because I believe that I know the topic might be somehow difficult, to explain or to express, but in any little way you can be able to, make your own contribution. Fine, let's educate each other. That's how the program should be. That's how you should be functioning. Let me still go back to the comment box and see what we have there. Yeah, Alex Osazua said, "Hi, brother. Okay, you're welcome to the program. I saw you. I see you. Whatever. You said, if you are young, the love is great, but when you are now growing old, is more intense." This is another strong one. No? If you are young, the love is great. So when you are getting old, okay, we have a caller in the building. Let's hear what you have to say, because maybe you have something to tell us on this particular topic. Hello, good evening.
Hello, bros.
Yeah,
Good evening.
you're welcome to the program tonight.
I greet you, bros. How yourself now?
Thank God. What's your name and where you're calling from? For the benefit of those that are watching us for the first time, please. It's not for me, for those that are watching us for the first time. Because every day we used to get newcomers.
Germany.
Okay.
Anderson calling from Germany.
Anderson calling all the way from Germany, okay? Please, can we see your face? We are just seeing the lights, and people are complaining that some people used to call, we see their face. We don't know who is calling or talking. Please don't be offended.
No, bro. I they drink water from us, so I don't feel sure.
Okay, no problem. So, you don't. Oh, we lost. I'm so sorry. We lost that caller all the way from Germany. Anderson all the way from Germany. So we believe they're gonna call back and let us know what you have to tell us about this program. Please, guys, I'm begging you, keep sharing this program. Keep inviting your friends. Let's hear from them as well, because we that are here, we are trying. Honestly, we are trying so hard to make sure that, okay, he's calling back. Let's hear him and hear what he's trying to tell us, because I believe. Okay, welcome back, brother Anderson, all the way from Germany.
I greet you, bros. Bros, okay, about this love where you talk, I don't understand that the love is too difficult. You understand?
I know. That's why we have so many people.
But I don't know whether that the love where we see now or the one we will see past.
Just explain what you understand by love. Whether or not the way the love is now is not the way it's supposed to be, or the way it's supposed to be, or can love fade away? Just the whole you understand. Just let us know.
No, you know, say the love when we play that time, say, man, we really love we really love that time. All those secondary, all those primary school, they write letter, give person, go give woman. I love that time. So,
Bad
so
guy, you really do this
let me know what, let me know what show you my face. So, but what way you they talk now? Whether na, you know, say most of us don't come up for us. Most of us don't know many things where we're.
Yes.
So whether na the one way we dey see now, all those maybe I don't tire, I want rest, I beg. Anyhow the woman wanted they make day, or anyhow the guy wanted they make day. You understand?
Okay, wait,
So
man. Like it's more like, man, give example of what our brother It's Praise he called before. He said they have two type of love. He may just mention it. Go on. They have two type of love. He said love of material things and the love of and natural love. So now you can also say your own whether na love of
so,
old and
no,
love of present.
na still the same thing. Love of material things and love of reality. See, just normal. You understand? So this love of it is just like the way you take love your friends. Anything where you did your na as a normal gamma friend gamma. You just dey tell her say my guy, see how they go. I just like no. So now so the guy comment is very right. So, but the one wey me want try know now, if not the love wey we fed the love that time, if not the love wey we dey see now, you understand?
Okay,
so me and you dey
can you excuse sorry to cut you short. Can you just make a little emphasis on these two things you're talking about? Love wey we see before and love wey we see now. Can you just throw a little bit more light in these two areas?
But wetin I fit get for the issue be say for the now say love wey we dey see now, the love e no dey there.
Abi?
So now we be say Gamma don see baby don tire or baby don see say he don tire. So now be the love wey we dey see now. Say man, wetin we dey fight for the life again, more just dey like that.
Yeah.
So now then you call the see some kind comment for your wife, man. So the love get the way it dey. But if now those love will be say man with the right letter at that time, say man, your wife will go travel, go city, or maybe your girlfriend come from city come. You call see her, you call the go for her.
You go buy kebab.
So but now, as most of us don't run come up for us. So we not there as again. But love what we call the see, no trust there.
Okay.
So now we say the guy not fit provide what he go fit provide, the love fit call shot come out. But if the guy they fit please himself, they do everything for you, the love not the shot come out. And no love there. Everybody can easily decide anytime.
Okay. So which means what they are just playing is just like, not love. They are just feeding.
No, not just likeness. More just day. I bet waiting the apple we don't tire. This one no. If I dey go this side, this one know me. If I go this side, this one know me. If I go this side, I bet more just day. More just be like say we not just day.
Okay. So thank you very much. That's
the love what we see for this side though, but I never see know about that side though. Where we for grow come.
No, love is love. Love not get part two. If you really see
no love get part two, bro. No love get part two.
that
you know say that
for me that one
you get love wey be say man they carry sauce to come give us for at that time. Whether they cook jollof rice, they'll carry a put for small container, come give you for your small room when you stay. You understand? No, you get some no, bro. Let not me understand each other for this way to bring the come. You get some love where they bring small container.
Even though they are mad at bitter. Even though they are mad
at bitter, go bring her, go touch her. He go come bring her come. And the guy the boy wey come give her, wey come give, the guy go still know the value. He go say no matter what, he go still pleased with the girl. He go please the girl, go pet her. At the end, so now then you dey see some kind girls, that time. Small girl that time go say he go love this guy till he die, and the guy go say I go die for this girl.
That's why they will go take blood covenant.
So all those guys, small love there. So, but when we come grow up, we come see ourselves all of the day, love to decide. So you get people where they decide love.
Yeah,
You
but
know?
bros, you know, say this era where we there now, that blood love covenant no dey exist again because all man don't. Will I say that all man don't wise up? How will I even
Yes.
put it?
All the old guy don't wise up, and all the old guy don't still wise up. You understand? So you get all, as the men who prefer all those time love. So
Okay.
that time
The
self,
question,
if you even
the question,
if you even
the
thought
question for you.
maybe your friend.
Okay, sorry. The question for you now is the question I want to ask you just personally. Question now is that former love and this recent love. Which one would you like to go for?
You know that former love, or that old love, that time,
Now you
that old
prefer
love, no,
no
no,
problem.
now I prefer, even for the now self, fear not even let me they go inside into relationship again now. Wallahi. I prefer that old love, because that old love, if you, maybe you as a friend, you go tell your girlfriend say you love her. You go tell, maybe for instance, I say maybe you go follow my back, tell my girlfriend say you love her. You go say that your friend about, you go just tell her, you go just tell you come meet you, tell you one on one, say man, that your friend a bad person to you. This is the way they
And
talk to
that
me
time
today.
itself, you go
And
even
if you
hardly
find out
see
that true,
your fellow guy go toast your babe. That period.
yeah.
That time now, you go hardly may see your fellow boy, your fellow guy wait tell you say this girl is my girlfriend. If they had that time, may say may go friend your friend, may go friend your girlfriend,
No,
may go even go meet
you
her.
know, you not go fit try am.
You
You
know
not go
fish am,
fit try am.
but now if you introduce your girlfriend, give your fellow guy, my guy now
Now
biggest
take
mistake we don't do
away,
for
now
life
take
be that
away
one.
once. Now take away once. If your guy get a power that more than you, if they take am once, and then go tell you say that you born her.
You know,
You
see.
know?
So, boss, I don't hear you talk. Most still bring another person to the camera. Most see what
Okay,
you see
for
talk
another
on
person
top.
still they call out, I see they watch you small.
So anything, if you see Ghana wants to tell us, you call back. We will still bring it to the camera and tell us
Okay,
the
no
thing.
problem, bros. I
Okay,
get
thank
you.
you very much. Yeah, this is our brother all the way from, let's say, Anderson, all the way from Germany. He's just watching us. He just made his own contribution. So before I bring another person to the camera, let me still go back to the comment box and see what is happening right there. John Paul said, yes, love fade away when there is no trust, okay? Ushel said, hey, say, let's see your face. You see what I'm just saying? Okay, please, if you call next time, please make sure you bring your face to the camera. Let's see who is talking to us. Please, let's about to the rules of this program, please. This one, Wilfred said, watching all the way from Firenze. Okay, for those who don't know where Firenze is, Firenze is in Italy. So that's where Wilfred is watching from. So Pretty Bernard said, what is today's topic? Okay, today's topic, because I know you're joining us now, today's topic is what is love and can love fade away? So in your own idea, in your own thinking, or what you understand, just let us know how you understand how you define your own love and what you understand by as in your own little way, what you understand by love, and can that same love fade away? So that's the topic for today. Michelle said we are watching into we are watching into me and you, okay? John Paul said, what is okay? Sorry, maybe I have another caller from another place. Okay, maybe someone else is calling from directly on phone. Let's see. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Are you about? What's your name, please? I don't know the topic. Your only name. Okay, Mama. Okay, Mama. Good evening, ma. I do. Okay. Okay, no problem. Yeah, yeah. Okay. I'm all yes. They listen. You know, sir, I tell you that day now. Mama, that 100 I tell you, no, I just say, so me and you know one on one. The rest always still give me, always still find me come, and I make I still say, now 200, 300 now they collect. Serious, Mama, please, Mama, I take God, I me beg you pass. That money I collect, I know too much. Serious, I know what I know what I want to do for you, as in. if you that one go my YouTube, you go see many work around the way they YouTube. Maybe say I want come do children work for you. You understand? So I beg that 100 well now joke na because of the how we take day and the respect we still give me. Now make I just say okay. You no go talk too much. Just give me the 100 man. Just come run am for you. Okay, my post. Okay, with this. Okay, no problem. The man send the which one to this number or okay if you okay this one I take the WhatsApp. Okay, I will send for WhatsApp for you. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, okay now bye. Okay bye. Uh okay, sorry guys for that call. Just sure I have to go and work. So you know duty calls we attend to whatever that calls. I have a show, so I have to just just a friend of mine that I need to do something for his son that is completing 18 years. So we just want to do a little get together party. That's why I just have to do it that way. So back to what I'm saying. Sorry for that cut off. Then we are you said we are watching into me and you. Okay. John Paul said, what is the love and is what is love and is can love what? Okay, I think he's trying to reply the topic to Pretty that asked what is the question. Okay, in the topic he said what is love and is love can fade away. Okay, that's just the topic. What is love and can love fade away? Okay, Pretty said okay. I guess you have already understand the topic now. Pretty said Europe has changed everything about love. Okay, that's her own contribution. Yushel said I meant Erica and Yushel. Okay. Thank you for sharing it and keep on inviting your friends so that they can join us. We have another comment in the building. Pretty said, I don't know what people of nowadays are turning love to. Let's respect love in a strong word. Okay, like what I was just saying, she have just made part of what I was just saying. Let's really respect this love. You know, people have made love to be so much cheap as anything. Like what our brother Anderson was saying when he just called to make his own contribution. You know, during those days, I believe I can still remember. I still write that letter that time. Shall not be only the guy write letter. I had to hide my own. No say, now later I tell the talk. For we never know what me phone that time. People will get phone that time. Them big or gas. So now pen and paper now take the follow up that time. Share the feel me. So I still write those letters. I know when you see before you even see that girl self say another I want your friend even contact to that. Okay, let me just make this little example with myself because you know you should have to show example with yourself. When I was in secondary school, we are four that used to follow. We are four friends. Four of us, we are four friends. Yeah, I could remember. Maybe some of them may be watching me right now because I know we know ourselves very well. They will even be laughing as I'm saying this thing because we know how we do run our things, our packaging that time. We are four friends, and our school has dormitory, but we don't live inside dormitory. We live out of campus. You know, when you know there are some school you live, they have dormitories and some live outside campus and they used to come to school in the morning. That's how we run our stuff then. Four of us have girlfriend, you understand? So the way we normally do it, if one of my colleagues, one of my friend, if his girlfriend come, after their wetin they do, me I don't know. If you ask me, I don't know. No, just ask me go that side or here, I don't know. After every, then when he want come discharge the girl, either he call me or he go call one of our guy again. Then the guy go show up. Then either all of us show up together. If you be saying me, I'll just carry the babe cat one side, go even hold the girl herself, go the waka they go. So people no go no say, this one your girlfriend, this one. So just they confuse our so-called enemies of progress, that kind of a thing. So, but this our president, I just did that example just to to clarify what I want to say or what I want to say. In this our present age now, you can never invite your girlfriend after you do everything. You call your fellow guy, may come help you. As may just come around, meet up and hang out with your girlfriend. My brother, if you try that day, if you just give them a little bit space, that guy don't collect number. From collecting number, he don't dey toast am for back. You go begin to spoil your name. Person you call your own bestie, or person you call your own friend, go begin spoil your name. So the question is, where is that real love now? And the girl now, as foolishly as she is, she will fall for that boy without coming back and tell, okay, look at what your friend did, though. That when you will now realize his or her mistake, when things don't spoil finish, you can't come back and say, na devil work. Which kind of devil? Now you be the devil who do the whole thing, because that's the topic we discussed last week. If you can remember, that's the topic we discussed on Sunday. You understand? So devil cannot do anything if you don't give him permit to do it. So that's why when they send me this topic and I said, what is love? Me myself, I even confused. I don't even know where to, because I say if I bring this topic now, I must still talk something put, especially they anchor the program. Understand? That's just the point. So me, I was battling with this in my butt. At the end of the day, thank God that I just have some little word to add to what I'm discussing today. So the point is, let's give this love a respect. This L-O-V-E we are talking, everybody's talking it, everybody's saying it, everybody they pronounce it. If we can put more respect on that love and really know what it really means, because love means, if you can translate love the way Christ, the way God did it, love means sacrifice. Love means a lot of sacrifice, because if you really love somebody, you can go any length, you can go any miles, just to make sure that you secure that love, that nothing comes between that love. Even if family, friends, brother, sister, anybody at all is trying to bring demarcation between you guys, if you really know you really love that person, then you can undo just to keep that person. Because I used to see some girls say, you don't love me, you do this or you do that one, that you don't want to marry me, you don't see. If you really show someone love, because they say it's what you show you get in return. It's just like that. That's just the formula. What you give out is what you get. Is what you gain in return. So when you don't give out love, you don't expect to get love. You understand? So please, if you know that you didn't really love the person, like there's one song I was listening to, I think a few days back, I was, arranging some mix. I was just listening to some song and I heard us. He said, don't tell me that you love me when you don't mean it. Tell me that you love me when you mean it. At least you show you that you really mean what you're saying. Not go waka pass, I love you. Go waka pass, I love you. You don't even really know what you want. So how come will love exist there? Love can never exist. All you just got is lust and like. And once that thing does go away, that's when you see that love will fade away. So guys, the program is still open. The program is for everybody. It's for every one of us, okay? We'll have another caller in the building. Let me bring the person to the camera and let's see what he wants to tell us, and I believe we also benefit from him as well. So welcome, my brother. Where are you calling from and what's your name and where are you calling from? Thank you.
Good evening, everyone.
Hello.
My name is Kevin.
Can
you hear me?
Okay, you're welcome to the program. Yeah, I can hear you. Where are you calling from?
I'm coming from Italy. I'm calling from Italy.
Okay, your name is Kevin, okay? Do justice to the topic we are discussing today. Thank you.
All right, before I start, I want to know the topic of today. Although I see the headline, but I did see it full. So
okay. The topic for today we are discussing is what is love and can love fade away? So in your own understanding, what do you think? Because people are misusing this word a lot. Oh, sorry, we lost that caller. Maybe this topic, if you don't prepare well, seriously, if you don't prepare well for this topic, you can't be able to know what to say. Thank God you guys are. I myself, I feel the same way. When this topic when they said this topic to me, I was like, this is how I come for my heart for this program, what they do. So I don't know. That's how I come talk for this program now. May God help me. May I come for my heart for you, I beg. I was just like, I was in a very big confusion. You understand? But here we are doing it anyhow. Even though I know people are not much watching it, but at least anyhow it be, who go still know how to take, talk about it. So please, guys, don't man, leave me for Johnson. I mean, help me rescue me for this topic. Oh. The topic's strong, not be small.
Hello.
Okay, brother, you're welcome back. You're welcome back. So
I'm
tell
sorry
us.
about that. It's just like the network is it's like the network is wavy.
Wavy.
You said the topic
Okay.
of
So
today
welcome back.
is the topic of
What
today
is
is
love? What
love.
is love?
What
And
is
can
love?
love fade away?
It's a great topic, oh, very mighty topic. Well, as for me,
Okay.
yes, love is a good thing.
Okay.
Love is very good. You know, there are different kind of human beings. Understand this word?
Yes.
So can love a minute.
Yes.
So can love in one day. Why so can love where they are seeing you? So can even love where you are not around, whether you are around, you are far, you are not far. You understand what I try to say now?
Yes.
Those people that love, those people that really loves you, those people that love, if you are around, you are not around, wherever you are, they will cheat on you. Those kind of people, they don't have forgiveness. Because they will trust you with everything they had. I'm telling you the truth, my brother. That's just the truth.
Yes.
They will trust you with everything they had. They will even trust you with their life. They will not cheat on you. They can wait for you as long as you stay, do whatever you want to do, make it. Those kind of girls or those kind of boys, they can wait for you. They will cheat on you.
Okay.
But if virtually you disappoint them, they will never forgive you. And those kind of people, those are the people that will use the aggression to the other people.
Yeah.
They will never find love in any other girl again. They will say all girls are the same. Or they will say all boys are the same.
Yes.
I hope you are getting what I'm saying now. That is one part of love. There are some people that will tell love does not exist. They will say, once I see the girl, he bet I can say I love you. If you need money, I give him money. One day love. And they will eat together, drink together, do everything together. They love each other at that moment. But while they say, okay, it's over now. Everybody, you go your light, you go your way, I go my way. The love
Which is
finished.
Down a contract love.
Thank you, my brother. I want the contract love. Why the contract love? Understand?
Okay.
So there are some people that will not even care. You will love them, they will not love you. You will love someone, you will be loving another person. There are those kind of love. You understand? When you love someone, at a point you keep caring for that person, but you feel that the love he has for you does not even go out of 30%, out of 100. You will try and try and try and try. At the end of the day, you will get tired. You will find yourself, sis, I love her. She does not want to reciprocate my love. Let me just boom. Understand?
Yeah.
The truth is that love, real love, is very difficult for real love to fake away. But if you does not love someone, it don't even have to be fade away. It's already fade. let's make it an example now. Let's make it an example. A guy who has two girlfriends. He has two girlfriends. Those two girlfriends, he love one mostly. Yes. The second one will be go outside. Even if he see her with another man, he will only get angry. It is said that is the reaction for a man to do. Who is that boy? Okay. Does not take him as anything. After all, I have another girlfriend if you like. Not that I even love him, I even love her like that. I hope you get what I'm saying. But the one he really loved, yes, it's true now. The one he really loved, he did not even need to see with another person. Just to say, hello. Eh? Did he greet you? Why are you greeting him? You understand what I'm trying to say? He will always, he will always get angry in every mistake, everything. He will always get angry with you because he does not want to lose you. You understand? Because he truly loves you. Love does not. If someone loves you, it will show. You will know that this person really loves me. So love is for both sides. If someone really loves you, it does not need to fade away. If someone does not love you, My brother and sister, you will know. You don't need soothsayer to tell you. You don't need native doctor. You don't need pastor to tell you, say, my brother, this person does not love you or he loves you. You will know. You will know. Because a guy who has been in Europe for 5 years does not have a girlfriend because he left a girlfriend in Nigeria and he loved the girl so much. He came here, wait until he has a document, searching for a job. He's planning to bring his girlfriend that year to get married to her. Those kind of love are real, are from God. You will know.
Yeah.
You left a girl in Nigeria. You came here, you have 3 girlfriends. At the end of the day, you go to Nigeria, you impregnate that one. You come here, you pregnant another. Which kind of love is that? Is that one love, my brother? Is that one love? Tomorrow you will say, I love her.
No.
Oh, brother. You see, there's no love there. There's no love there. Or a guy will be telling a guy, I love you, where he was. The guy is fighting for their survival, their future down, making sure that tomorrow will be good. She will be there with another man, kissing the man, and the boy in the other side of the telephone. I love you. I love you, sweetheart. Don't worry, I will wait for you. By which she's with another man there. Those kind, I don't love. Any love that is not based on trust, there's no love there. That is final. Thank you, my brother. And
thank you very much,
everyone.
Mr. Kevin, all the way from Italy. Thank you for making a very big contribution to this program today. I guess you stay back and watch other people with their own contribution as well. So thank you very much for your own contribution.
All right. Thank you too, brother.
Yeah. Okay, now. Yeah. Wow. My people, my governor, my presenter. Oh, God. Just imagine things that happen for this life. Just look at it this way. You guys have heard what Kevin just said. He just narrated it stage by stage. Love for one day, natural love for oh my God. What is really happening? No, people have make so much mistake of this love. Like I said earlier, earlier on, when I started this program, I said, guys, girls, it's hard that we need to wake up from our slumber and our sleep. I know the real truth and the real fact. Like he said, if you really see someone who really loves you, you don't need pastor, you don't need a native doctor, you don't need a soothsayer, you don't need anybody, you don't need magician to come and tell you that this person really loves me. But at the end of the day, the love for the material things are even getting more higher than the real love. You will see the person that really loves you genuinely, showing you love in his or her own little way, just to make sure that tomorrow he doesn't come into his life and start suffering. Then at the end of the day, you just see someone that just come from nowhere, boom. I think I love this one more than the one I'm staying with. My cape. What? It won't take you anywhere because one, like I made an example when I said this, but I said you can never meet a white woman, a white lady today, and tell her that I love you. She will start following you. She will accept I love you. Yes, it's normal. Anybody can say I love you, but going down to bed or going to extra mile with you, it has to take time for her to study you. I know the kind of person she's trying to go into relationship or he's trying to share that same love with. That's white life for you. That is white man life for you. But you see, we in Nigeria, you don't need to say I love you. Just show money. Just show material things to the girl or to the guy. Because as it is in girls, that's how it is in boys. Because some girls, some women, like I was watching something on YouTube, on Facebook the other day. The woman was even proud. She was even proud to say that she paid guys to sleep with her. Will you call that one love? You see, a woman will not pay a guy. Nah, there's a lot of things happening in this planet that we are in. Seriously, that kind of thing can never come my way in Jesus' name. I can never come your way. Whoever is watching this program, that kind of thing will never come your way in Jesus' name because it's an insult to men, as in to humankind, for a woman to pay you. You know, shame at all as a guy, collect the money, go sleep with her. Where's your respect? Where's your dignity? Where's your seriously, the way it is in men, that's how it is in women. But the fact is, so many people has misused this word love. if you can be able to give this love meaning the way we use it, I think, I think things will get more better, because watch, love is based on sacrifice. I said this before, but I'll still repeat it later, because I didn't finish my point when I received a call and from other people. See, love is a kind of sacrifice that even God expressed it by sending his son all the way from heaven to come and die on this earth for our sin, for you and me. Had it been that God have that fake love, that just saying I love you the way we human beings do say I love you, I love you, I love you, do you think he can able to sacrifice his only begotten son just to redeem both of us, me and you that's watching this video, people that are going to watch it later? So let us try and give meaning to this word love. We have shattered it, as in we don't divide and front and back, left and right, paint and black and white, different colors, but at the end of the day, everything that happens still they happen. So that's why when this topic comes, seriously, I'm even still thinking, as I'm even talking, I'm even still getting more inspiration, as in through what you're saying. Please don't leave this topic all alone for me, please. Let's do justice to this topic, please. Just call in and make your own contribution. Let's just really talk. So as we're bringing someone else to camera, let's hear what she has to tell us, and also get the game for our own side. Okay, hello, good evening. Where you're calling from and your name, please? Hello.
Hi, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. Where are you calling from? What's your name, please? For the benefit of those that are watching us for the first time or joining the program for the first time.
Yeah, my name is Helen. I'm calling from Germany.
Okay, you're welcome.
I just come across the video,
okay,
which talk about the meaning of love.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
You know, this love of a thing is a word, a very expensive word.
Yeah.
You know, some of us do not understand what it means by this word love, called love.
Yeah.
It's just LOVE.
Yeah.
You know, many of us mistake feelings for love.
Yeah, that's true.
In terms of relationship, many of us we mistake feelings for love. You know, when I talk about love, for my own understanding, for what I really know about love, I want to talk about for what I really know.
Yeah.
When we talk about love, is to be able to sacrifice for someone. You can displease yourself to please that person you said you really love.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Some of us will think, okay, maybe for example, you just see a guy today and the person can draw your attention. You say, I think I love this person.
Yeah.
That is not love.
Sure.
It's just normal human feelings.
Yeah.
We all have it. I can come across a guy here and say, okay, this one is handsome, and I have some feelings, but that doesn't mean that I love the person.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And a man can just come out tomorrow and said, hi girl, can I have your number? A lot of guys do it.
Yeah.
You're beautiful, you know. I say, okay, I know, thank you. I just set my eyes on you. I'm in love with you. It doesn't work that way.
Just
really.
that moment. That way you fall in love.
Yeah, a lot of guys do this. The truth. A lot of them, they do it. There was one day I told him, are you okay? You cannot just walk to me and just tell me you love me. It doesn't work that way. A love of a thing come gradually. When you're living with someone, you understand the person, you find out that if you don't see the person a day, you're not complete, you know. It comes gradually. It might take years for love to come. I remember then my mom would say, hey, I don't love my papa when I marry him. But when I lost my dad, my mom was crying for more than a year that he missed my father.
Yeah.
Then, according to her, she started loving my father in terms of, okay, if she could not go to farm, my dad would go to farm, I bring some stuff. And from there, she started having these strong feelings that if she did not see my father, she can't even sleep. This is how love comes.
Yeah.
Love can grow because your man or your woman help you to sweep. It can grow with something you never expect, you know. But in these days, we all think that love can just come just like that. It doesn't work that way. You have, some people also misquote a pity for love.
Yeah.
Because this boy too spent for me.
Make a
I
pity.
think I love him.
Make a pity.
Make a pity and make him go with him. It doesn't. Well, it doesn't work that way. Definitely, if you marry that person because you said it will spend, make a day with him, maybe I go love him. It will not work. It will not go anywhere because you don't love that person.
Yeah.
If you love the person, I've seen a lot of white people. I used to say, if I thought my mama born me for Europe for good.
Yeah, but you can still change things, there's one word that said it's not our fault that they're born us into a poor family, but it's going to be your fault that you die in that poor family without raising that family up. So you can be born in Nigeria, but you can still live like a white man or white people. So it depends on
but it will be a bit difficult because there are
nothing good comes easy, that. So
we Africa, even the way they will mock you will make you.
That's
oh my brother.
See, my sister. Maybe we are just diverting but let me just tell you this. You see one thing about this life is what you decide to do with your life that matters. Whatever other thing that people are saying is just a message. That's their own cup of tea. You understand? So like you guys have just heard what our sister Helen just said from all the way from Germany now. He said that love grows, not the way we just see someone on the road today just say I love you. No. But she just even went further to make some example that when her dad married her mom, there was no love there. But when they started doing things together, that love can come by sweeping for your wife, love can come by washing your husband's clothes. That's these little things that we think that doesn't matter. It really matters. It's even in relationship, those little things that you think it really matter, it even matter, it even it even make sense. What thing concern now? Even little things matters a lot. Okay, for instance, now you get a girlfriend now, or let me just use girlfriend because talking about marriage now, it seems like I'm not married yet, so I don't have any idea married, but the little ones I've been seeing around, I can pick some things from there. For instance, you have a girlfriend now, and you know that okay, maybe you have to study her, know what she likes. Maybe she's the kind of girl that likes, ice cream. Let me just use ice cream for example. Then you're a kind of guy that will normally go out and you're coming back, you bought ice cream, you bought it for the first day, you bought it for the second day, you bought it for the third day. You just do it for like 2 weeks. You keep on buying this. When you're coming back, you buy ice cream. And whenever she comes to hug you and say, welcome home, baby, or something like that, after hugging her, you give her, baby, I bought ice cream for you today. She said, thank you. You're coming back the next day, you repeat the same thing. You do it for 1 week. Believe me, the upper week, if you didn't buy that ice cream, you see that something different will happen because once she comes to greet you, all her expectation, all her mind will be, okay, my baby will be getting me ice cream today. The joy, the happiness of welcoming you with that ice cream that she's expecting will be there. But once she finds out that you're not with that ice cream or something like that, I'm just trying to tell how long, I'm not saying that, I'm just trying to build up as in the what I'm trying to say, to show that how they used to build love. Those little things you do can make someone love you that without even seeing you, they can maybe the way you talk to the person can make that person to love you the more. It can be the way you do things, you help that person out in some areas in her things, and make that person to love you. So please, the line is always open. Please, you guys should not leave me alone on this topic. Call I beg, go men I come and talk, come and write, I go read and come out. I beg, man, don't leave me alone for this topic. I beg. The topic too, a very strong topic. So let me quickly go back to the comment box and continue. I don't know what people of nowadays are turning love. To let us respect love is a strong word. That one comes from Pretty, okay? Pretty also said fat, bro, okay? Helen said love, okay? Aliu said hi, Kevin, okay? Pretty said amen. Helen said amen. It's Prince said amen, okay? Yusha said, we do not help because of anything, but because of love, okay? You see that? That's a very good one from Yusha. Yusha also said, she speaks Swiss here, understand the language. She's from Switzerland. Maybe she's speaking Swiss, the Switzerland language. I don't understand that, but let me just read the one she writes in English. She said, "Love comes from the heart. Okay, she said love comes from the heart. Wilfred watching from the Firenze said, good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. I have been listening for some minutes now. My question is there anything like love? You see what you're still talking? Because people used to say that word, I love you, but at the end of the day, if you look at what people that said I love you are doing, you'll be surprised to even know that you even be asking yourself, is this person really mean what he was saying, that he loved me? But why is he or she doing this thing to me? Someone you take like your own person, like your brother or like your sister or like your own close friend, that he said, oh, this guy, he loved me, he do this one. But when the time comes to show that love, the person will just disappoint you to the length that you won't even know how to even oh, in fact, make a drink water. My throat not nice. I beg, men, help me. This topic too strong. You see, people have been calling, have been making their own contribution. At least you are learning a lot of things from them. Okay. Helen said nothing like love. Okay, as you can see, please can call in, make your own contribution. Let's hear what you guys have to say about this topic. Like seriously, yeah. The way Wilfred asked this question is the same way the person that bring this topic also asks about this question we are discussing tonight. So please, you guys should remember, we normally end the program exactly 12 o'clock. So at least we will still have enough time to talk about this. Now it's to 11. So at least we have about 2 hours or 1 hour plus to deal with this topic of a thing. What is love? I've been talking, I've been explaining, I've been expressing. Okay, we have another caller in the building. Let's hear him out because I think he's a guy this time around. We just received from the guy. Okay. Hello.
Adasi.
Okay, Anderson.
So,
welcome back.
Like my sister said, Helen.
Please, now can you show us your face for once? Now people are complaining that they don't see your face.
No, bros, no worry. Like Ellie said, he said nothing like love. That is truth. Because you do believe what you see in the person that make you fall in love with him.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello, you dey hear me, bros?
I hear you. Everybody hear you.
Like as Ellie said, he said nothing like love is truth.
Yeah.
Nothing like love is truth. Because what make you fall in love? Because you sight something in there.
Yeah.
That's what make you fall in love. And when the something is gone, you cannot achieve the something. There is no love there.
Yeah.
I love that girl comment so much. Helly.
Okay. She's here. She's telling you.
Like love. Nothing like love now.
Because they have done everything to material things. Now, if you don't have money,
Yes,
you don't have
everybody is fighting for 50-50. You give me, I give you. There's nothing like love. When you have, I'm be with you. When you don't have, I'm no longer there.
Okay. So
yeah, we believe that, including you when they do the live video, you are still among. So when I'm searching for you, when you don't have what I'm searching for, I can't come with you.
Yeah.
When you have what I'm searching for, I will come with you. That's just the fact. So more not they use English till they defeat ourselves. Nobody will not speak English. So everybody know how they go. So we cannot go back to our forefather relationship. So we are in another new
brown one.
That's bro.
Yes.
So I like your comment. I like your live video. So I like the laugh with all those things. You understand?
Yeah.
So my brother, if you get, I'm okay. When you not get, maybe now Gama way they tell me say my alpha mo go smoke cigar for guiding. I'll not leave you now. So you not get anything to achieve. I'm not getting anything to achieve with you.
Yeah.
So when you get, now so it still be to boys and boys, not be only maybe
yes.
to
you see. Let me tell you something, my brother. You are making a point. See, it's something about this love of a thing. You know, some people do think that it's just it's only when you tell a girl I love you, or a girl tell a boy I love you. No, you can love your own brother, you can love your own sister, you can even love your own parents. Understand?
Yeah.
But the point
it's
there
like
is
that.
when it comes to that sacrifice, because for me, what I define love to be is sacrifice. When you can sacrifice your own happiness, sacrifice what you have to make sure that you put smile on another person's face. Because in a situation where you say you love someone and somebody can be able to tell you that this is what you say you love, if you don't stop loving that person, this will happen to you, and you are about to what that person tell you, that is not love, my brother.
No, that's not love. Yes,
love.
It's true.
But when you really love the person and they tell you heaven and earth and say, if you don't stop loving this boy, I'll throw you away, I'll kill you, I'll use that. You said, please, if you can kill me because I love this person, go ahead and kill me. I'll love to. So, I know what is sweet to me boys most,
So, bros, it's just like, for instance, now say maybe you they come out for this live video. Maybe as they come out with Diamond, 1 or 2. You will call they see many guests. They will call they come to you. They want they see your face. They want even call they come out live. They talk to you. Thousands go come and they watch some people live videos. Some people will be say that they do their live video with style. You understand? Or no reason. Maybe they feel you ask you question there. If you all those kind of, they watch many like that. So no, my brother, if anybody not get contribution to your life, no love now. No. So if you they get contribution to me with me where they talk, so that's it. Then I will love you. So if you not they add any contribution, my brother, you will go. If you be woman or you be sister or you be friend or whatever, you will go.
In this situation now, will you still get married? With this kind of situation?
No, it don't start to no love now, man. No, it's not possible now.
So don't love your wife. If you marry wife now, don't
no. Now make me for the now. No woman, nothing. I just did like that.
May know whether I go see the person your heart go accept. May if you know whether I go see the person your heart go accept.
If my heart accept person, then before my heart they accept, I'll make sure say man, I get what it takes to take over.
Yes.
No matter what.
To take charge.
Yes. To be in charge of that person.
Make small children not consult their palais.
Okay, that doesn't make you understand. So when I don't have nothing to take care of, I'm not going there.
Yeah.
So bus stop, no, it's not far to go back. You understand?
Yeah. So anyway, at least this topic now, so many live videos are going on right now, but it takes it depends on the kind of live video people are doing, understand? But this kind of live video, I hardly see people watch it because I'm not naked, I'm not showing naked girls on this thing. They will never watch it, they will never
No, your live video is not composed. No, my brother, what do they bring come out? It's just to enhance the younger ones where they grow up, you understand?
Yeah.
So, and we still understand. No matter what it takes, bro, you still take out the way you see her. So it's not compulsory say you must keep person before you make money. That's what life you'll be. So no matter anywhere people think can go, make the think can go. But I love your comments so much. Anyhow you bring it, if I don't feel comment, I will just watch. They look people opinion. You understand?
Now so even though you don't feel comment, just learn. Now it's I just want. Not more say must comment, not more say must score, but listen, at least get some ideas, some inspiration. That's just it.
So there is nothing wrong about your live video.
Okay.
And it's okay, but thank God say not be whether for the main problem. But now whether for the main problem, I know official my face there. So now wait till just
that's also everywhere good. So
everywhere good, my brother.
No, just
so keep it up. So one day shall be.
He said one day what is?
I said man, you keep it up. One day shall be one day. It will be more than this,
Okay, amen.
So, but may our guests always believe say no love. Our young boys not believe maybe
no, bros, I don't agree for that one. No, there's still love, but it takes time to find.
Bros, no love. That way, before you think twice, before you decide to call Europe, now love day. But as you don't enter this junction, this junction love, it day twice. Either you get or you not get.
Or you give chance.
Or you give chance. If you not get, hide your face. If you get, show yourself for live video like 1 month.
So
people were
okay, let me make you hide your face now, Abi.
No, I'm never hide my face now. When I walk 1,100 walk, I want to show my face. My papa get money for the house. I be your daughter. So we many as a bros, we just many we not need to dey lie to each other again. We not need to dey deceive each other. Our truth must be told.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
When you are well, people know you. When you are not well, people don't know you.
That's true.
You understand? So we not need to dey deceive ourselves. Money breed love. You understand? Money breed fake love. Our real love don't need to be shown.
Yeah.
People don't dey understand. They not they get it right. The office say maybe if you just get money, maybe one girl come show her face, maybe now that one that could be the rightful love. No, not lie. Not be that one be the rightful love there. If woman want love you, go love you for the time when you tell her Libya come Europe. Not be when you say that you don't make money, now woman want to tell you say he love you, or now you want to tell woman say you love woman. We be say they don't go do many things to get money. You got to say, baby, I love you then, just because of one or two. You can't. No, this Europe love get the way they did. We don't want to tell each other. No, bro, sir, they want me they tell you some kind of thing. I don't want to do
I feel your yarn serious. I like the way they shake the table.
I don't know, man. Europe love, they get the way they did. We know everybody just they do your own.
Yeah.
Anywhere jar for enter Jamwa.
More reason now. Just say I want just tell you now. More reason now because people see the watch now. May they hear this thing because everybody need to hear this thing. Talking about love in Europe, for me, I will just tell you that if love is 100%, in Europe here you can only get like 20% out of that 100. You know why?
No, bros, we'll not figure reach 80%.
No, I said 20. I said 20.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. You know why? Let me just explain for you. You leave Nigeria, come Europe in the name of what? Just to make a better future for you and your family, right?
Yes.
And that same gear now you are telling that you love now, that leave Nigeria now. Now, in two motives they come. He also leave that Nigeria now to make a better life for in family and for
ourselves.
Yes,
for yourself, yes.
And then the family where for come out now, no fee make that money we go take carry and come Europe. Then another person can carry and come now. She say and so now. So that person can carry and come now. The expect say she go to settle. Then her house where she from come out now, we expect say she settle. Okay, you work on yourself in boyfriend now. Come the expect and say she can't give you 100% love. Do you think that can't will happen?
It's not going to be possible.
It's not going to happen.
It can never possible. That is why the love can never be exist in Europe. It's not possible because it's just like, bros, may I tell you one thing?
Yeah.
Because this year, all those love of it when the people they talk, I they reason and work. Just like that for Nigeria.
Yeah.
I they learn work. I call the friend girl, and the girl what I don't have.
Mm-hmm.
Me myself, my brother, me and you know girl where what diamond.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
The girl what I don't have.
Yeah.
But even inside that time, I gotta go do one or two things to make sure say me, I feel they use cab when I not feel afford to go they carry that girl.
Yeah, go to the mover.
You understand? Yeah. So how you take believe say that kind of love go fit exist? And he get where he reach, I not feel afford the money again. To go do one. No, my brother, more they thought this far too because this live video of it here, if I listen to some people sometimes, I will just laugh.
Yeah.
I cannot continue that kind of situation. You understand? So I can't go tell the guy say, my brother, my sister, my uncle sent me Abuja, out of which I did the Benin there. You understand? I got to add myself because there's no money.
Yeah.
But there when the tea they flow, the guy say, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. When I got to that, say, name me one or two happen, I not fit get the money, I not fit get where for the all those kind of tea, all those kind of our play like. You understand?
Yeah.
So the guy got to quit. And this is the same guy that is telling you that I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Okay, because the materiality is not there again now. She can't withdraw.
It's not there again. You understand? So there is no love, bro. Okay. No, they tell each other true. No love. No, if it just happens, say maybe you get luck, say yes. If you wait till you get, your access of income matters a lot in your life.
Yeah.
No matter what.
Yeah.
Your access of income can make woman to fall in love with you.
Yeah.
Even if the woman don't wish to be.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes.
But when woman enter your shoe, you see that there is nothing out there. There's nothing going to fish out for that junction.
Yeah.
She is not staying. no matter what, if you lie, beg nothing, next 30 years to come, she's not staying.
Yeah.
Understand? So not just this, bro. More not they deceive ourselves. Love is what you have. If what you have, you can get love. If you don't have nothing, fuck shit about love. Fuck all the old fucker lover.
Like seriously, my brother might tell something. If nobody on the benefit something from this program, I personally will do this program. Since I started to do this program, I get so many things I don't learn from people. How you say, at least on my own personal person, you say if I don't my own, I know the reason I don't think it reach that side, but through this program now, I don't get so many things. I don't see things for life. But
oh, bro, not your reason now because me they like all the, you understand? But others are where they'll call they say love is real, maybe love is not real. No, only when I experience on my pa mama then I experience love. Say upon all the way the situation where my father did, my mother still there with my father.
Yeah.
Then
I can still bear that witness because it happened in my
that way. You understand? Me and you know. More not they use live Facebook to deceive ourselves. You watch picture put for Facebook, you say everywhere good. Everywhere me and you know say everywhere not good. What you they talk? Everywhere not pepper soup, my brother. Everywhere not pepper soup. We know with the people where everywhere pepper soup for. People where everywhere pepper soup for. They see in Nigeria. Not be me and you will come here. You understand? People where everywhere pepper soup for. Now they come here for visits. Me and you will come here, come once, take another life. Yeah. Everywhere not pepper soup, bro. We see the junction.
Okay. Thank you very much.
I just pray. Yeah. I just pray may everybody come or this your live video one or this your topic one. They made everybody they made their own personal opinion.
Yeah.
Say love. Love not there exists, bro.
Okay.
Love not there exists.
Share the video. No, some of your friends go see you. We hear what your friends go talk.
Okay, now no problem, bro. I'm
not bringing another person to the camera.
Watch out till the 1 o'clock if you see they are live.
I don't know till 12 now we end up.
Okay.
No problem. Yeah. Thank you for your contribution.
I agree with you, Baba.
Yeah. So as you guys can see, the thing is still getting more hotter and hotter. Okay. You said we don't help because of anything, but because out of love. Okay. You said okay, that one is speaking their language. I've read that one before. Okay, I have another caller in the building. Let me bring it up. Helen said, Helen just okay. You said, how can we call you live? Just call, just add your account. I'll bring it up. Just call, just send call request. I will accept it. Okay. Okay, we have our brother back in the building. It's Helen, it's Prince, all the way from Italy, right?
Yes.
Okay.
As that guy was saying just now, I look towards it.
Please,
that was right.
The music a little bit. The music is a bit loud.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, it's okay now.
As that guy was saying just now, it was right in one side. The second side, it was bad. And probably, I said this girl was still commenting and Lee and Printy.
Okay.
They are still commenting about it.
Okay.
Like that love we are talking about. Okay. The one I see with my eye. Okay. I can testify on it.
Okay.
About that love we are saying.
Okay.
A man married a girl.
Okay.
And he's going to go and pay bride price on his head.
Okay.
They do everything. After doing it, they came to Italy together.
Okay.
Even me and the woman and the man, we entered the same boat to Italy here.
Okay.
Then on that circumstance now the woman went out for now. He said the mother told the girl that he asked his daughter to come to Italy to come and find money for them to sustain. It's not about marriage now. They are talking about. What I'm telling you now, I'm serious about it. God can be my witness.
Are you serious?
Now, I'm serious. What is happening now? Then when you are saying the love, say there is no real love. So as in when the man told me, I was shocked. And probably now the woman is taking the man to the court now. He say He said now, say the man brought into Italy to come and be working for him. He pay. He is also we have spent almost about 9. I'm going to 9 months now in Italy now.
Wait, the man that went to Nigeria to marry her with his own money.
They came back to Italy
now. Come to Italy now and take that man to court.
Yes, now say the woman bring her to Italy to come and be working for him. And nothing like that was happening.
God, where is this one heading to?
Where we are just saying love, there is real love, there is love. It's only God can just help us. Past God, no other thing.
Simple.
God. When we are saying love,
only God can intervene.
It's your dad and your mom, my dad and my mom that witness love. For us who is coming now, nothing like that. It's only God will just be what we see, what we don't see, we just manage it. Pass what we use with your eye. If we can close it, if we cannot close it, if we are saying it, maybe the house can spoil. Everybody find a way. That is for now. That is what it just happened for now. It's our father and mother that experience love. For us now, nothing like that. For now, it started from ourselves now forever and ever.
Our generation.
Yes, I'm telling you the truth. I don't say anything. They say love. There is love there. No, which love? No. Then when I say that, no, love cannot help now, as we are seeing it now. Everybody now is their eye is choking on money. How to make money? How we going to buy things? I want to do this. I want to do this one. That probably that is why we left home. But now when we are saying love, it's very difficult, my bro.
Okay, thank you very much for your contribution, because someone else is calling on the line again. Just sit back and see more from other people.
No problem. I will wait that 1 o'clock. We are still here.
Okay.
After this one, we wait till Sunday again. No problem about that.
Just share the program. Let's invite your friends. Let's hear from them. Okay.
Okay. No problem.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. Ha! Oh God. Oh God. What is really happening? Yeah.
Yes, I'm back again.
You are back again. Welcome back, Sister Helen, all the way from Germany.
The last brother that just called, the comment he made make me to laugh. You know what?
Not only you, I'm even shocked.
I know, because I have 2 things to say to the lady and the man. Number 1, the lady does not love the man.
Okay.
Number 1. Number 2 is also good for the man. You know why I say so?
Why?
I will offend some people, but I have to say it.
Yeah,
we all came here for money. You understand? When we get here, we try to do what we can do. Eventually, let me just make an example. Maybe that man, he has been dating here. He has been in Europe. He has meet a lot of girls. Maybe one is in love with him. Then he decides to go to Nigeria to marry a lady that does not even understand how Europe life is all about.
The system,
Then you bring her, you expect her to come and stay with you. It doesn't work that way. I know, they'll say, the girls say, come Europe, they come to a shower and nothing marry her. Fine, now somebody go see marry us before house. If you marry a lady that have been into stress, like when I was in Italy, I know what they call suffer. You suffer before you eat to pay house rent. Sometimes you run away from the house because you have not paid your house rent. Your landlord or your landlady will be looking for you. You can off your phone for days. Okay, finally I'll meet a man. He will say they love me. Then he's ready to pay the house rent, to feed me and to clothe me. Just because my family out there, then I would say I want to leave my husband's house. You understand?
Yeah.
And even if the man is in one room, I will know how to manage with him. Because I've been there. I know how the odds so they go, bro.
Yeah.
If you go expect one woman will be saying, no, they pay. For Nigeria, except say you want just go do runs. Now you go see babe will be say, day house, you go they pay house rent by herself.
Yeah.
But in Europe, even if your mama and I carry you come, my brother, you go pay house rent. Nobody carry house come from Africa. I won't see one man will say, I love you, baby, let's manage this room. Wallahi, I go stay. Now, if you never experience what Europe they talk about, now you say your mama, your papa say, if you don't use yourself, make money for your family, tomorrow they go ask you, say, Africa now, You never reach when you go marry, or you never reach when you go born.
You see?
Everybody they ask.
Oh God.
They ask.
Seriously, this program.
Why those men go leave us? Why they go leave us where they Europe? Go carry the one where they Nigeria. We not be human being. Abi we not fit born. We not fit do it either. No, we must be sincere. I know they pity those girls who maybe say they'll carry man, come man, go carry another woman. I know they pity those men where they say they'll go carry their wife, because their wife go come call police for them. Yeah. I don't pity them, because now somebody go see marry us for house. You need to tell ourselves the truth. When I see that this man I'm going out with, I have seen what life is talking about, and I myself has also see what life is talking about, we can manage together. Even if the love does not just come now, we can grow the love. When two people are staying together, it comes gradually. This love we are talking about does not just come because you give me money now. Yeah. Me, I'm a type of person, I can use myself as an example. Even when I was growing in Africa, I do tell my mom, any rich man, if he come, I'll not go marry. Okay. Do you know why? Because I think that man will not love me, because he already have the money. He think he can entice me with the money. Okay. My mom normally tell me, no, it might be, I want you to marry a good man, a rich man, so you can also help. So I finally escaped to Europe. Then I know what life is talking about. You expect, okay, I've been in Aduro house, eating pasta, dealing with all sorts of things. Then later, one man will come for one corner and say, I want to marry you, baby. Even if now 1-bedroom flat, my brother, I go manage. Serious? Because I know it's in life. I don't know what in life they talk about. But if you go marry down where come for Africa, it's good for that man, Sha. Anyway, I'm happy, because if they never see your bad, they don't go wise. Make they can't choose among us. Oh, bros, maybe they can't choose among us. We be human being. Una person go marry us.
I will do this topic, and maybe next 2 Sunday I'll talk, because I normally do there's topic that normally concerns girls on Sundays. So maybe next 2-3 Sunday I'll talk about why boys are leaving girls in Europe to go and marry in Nigeria. So
please, bro,
I'll do that topic
because we need them. We need them. If they abandon us, who go marry us? No, I'm not talking for myself. You are talking for all of us.
No,
we need them. If they leave us, bros, reason. Yeah, the truth. Reason it. If all of you guys go to Africa to go and marry, who will marry us? And not everybody like white guys. Yes. Maybe I'll go marry China or go to what will I do? I need.
Okay, there's no problem. Thank you very much for your contribution. Just stay back and hear what more people are saying.
I will still listen. Let us dig it.
Okay, no problem. We die here today.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Oh. Sorry, guys, I'm laughing about this because, but in actual sense, in fact, they could make laugh small, I beg. Ha! Oh, Thomas. Anyway, guys, let's go back to the comment box and see what people have been saying over there. Since let's say since 3 o'clock I've been calling, so I'm not gone there to check what is happening right there. Okay, so let's go back. Oh, more color is coming, but let me quickly go back to the comment box and see what we have there. Yusha said, how can we call you live? Okay, just follow the link. You can call me live. Helen laughed. Bros, just give me something. Let me quickly read out the comment. Okay, I'll get back to you. Okay. Then it's Prince said yes. So Helen said, Pretty said, big bro, your time will come if only you believe. Okay. Then you should say, why this man is hiding his face? Okay, maybe you don't want to show his face. Then Helen said, thanks, bro. Okay. Helen said, no be so. Okay. Pretty just laughed. Pretty said, true talk. It's Prince said 5. Okay. The share said, this is very stupid because we do love. We do love. Okay. Helen said, there is love, my brother. Okay. Miss Grace said, there is love. Okay. Pretty said, it's not everybody. Okay. Miss Grace said, God, there is love. Oh, except you don't have true love. Okay. Isha said, I am Erica. I was married for 24 years with a black, but he left me. So where is love in Africa? Wow. See, a white woman is complaining that we Nigeria, we in Africa is also doing all these kind of things. Wow. Well, Miss Grace said, like me, in all my life, I have always met true love. Okay, that's great. I congratulate you, sister. Good luck. Helen said she don't love the man. Okay, maybe about what our brother just said. Miss Grace said, my brothers and sisters, please, there is love. It's just that it's not common. Okay. Prince said no. Pretty said, why we he live to go marry in Nigeria when we have a lot of ladies. Okay. Miss Grace said, thank you, my sister. Okay. Pretty said, sure, sister, true talk. Okay. Miss Grace said, correct, babe. Okay. Miss Grace said, rich men are not good. Okay. Pretty said, yes, so rich men no win. No, rich men no win. Okay. Pretty said, Abi. It's Prince said, no, be now you don't. No, you don't understand me, Helen. Okay. Maybe that's why he called back to explain, but I will still bring him back on camera. Then Miss Grace said, you get mouth. Okay. Mubarak said, Ghana guys. Okay. Then Mubarak said, Ghana guys are here. Okay. No problem. You're welcome, Ghana guys. Okay. For those that are watching us again, that are still online, the line is now open. You can call you can call in to make your own contribution, or you can also send in your own comment. Then I will actually read it out so that people will also benefit from your own contribution. So the topic we are still discussing is what is love and can love fade away? So if you know that, you can be able to enlighten us a little bit about what is love, and if true love can fade away, please don't hesitate to call us. The line is always open, or you can send in your comments, then we read it out in the house. That's how we do it every Wednesday and Sundays. Please, I know that so many people didn't join us today on this program because of they used to go to work, that kind of a thing. But I know with time I might change the date of this program to Friday, so that whoever that join us on Friday can be able to sleep on Saturday, because I believe Saturday, Sunday work are less. Okay. So welcome back. It's Prince. Hello. 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 Welcome back. It's Prince. We are all yes. Okay. You're welcome back. All the way from Italy.
Yeah. As Ellie didn't understand what I was saying just now.
Okay.
It was saying that say guests are here, then the man went to Nigeria to go and marry another woman and bring it back. Is because of that one such things happen. He left him. No, it's not like that. They know from Nigeria. After the man finish school, finish university, then the
we lost that call. I'm so sorry we lost that call. Maybe he's gonna come back and finish what he was trying to explain. So Helen is asking the time we do it on Sunday. Just exactly the time we used to do it every day. 9 o'clock we start it off. Highest, if I didn't come back from show, or if I went to show I didn't come back on time, or if I went to school I didn't come back on time, we start a little bit late, like 10 minutes after 9. But as long as I came back early from where I went to, sure, trust me, we start it 9 o'clock at dot. Okay, like today we actually started 4 or 5 minutes after 9 due to school stuff, traffic, and all those things. So then, like I received a call for a show, so maybe after when I go for their show, if I didn't make it to come back early, na DJ the first come, na DJ the first go. So anyhow, but I must make sure I do the program. I will not disappoint you guys, but the normal time is always 9 o'clock. You understand? So the line is always open. Just call to make your own contribution, and you just join us for the program. Keep on sharing the program. Okay, Helen said thank you, bro. Okay, you're welcome. So welcome back. It's Prince.
Okay. As I was saying just now, okay. Then the man went to university. After university, okay. The man said, okay, he said he want to marry. Okay. Then the senior brother said, okay, let's go for the girl family. They go for the girl family. They went to go and ask for how they used to do it. Okay. Then the girl sees the gate. After they not doing the marriage. After marriage, the man spent almost about 2 years or 3 years in Nigeria. After 2 years, almost about that 3 years, they say, okay, the man said, no, this country, don't like this country, want to travel after the country.
Oh, we lost that color again. We don't have enough time, but at least we can use the little time anyway. We manage the time we have and keep on making this program to look more interesting. So I'm bringing another person to the camera. Okay, Miss Grace is on cam right now. Please, can we hear from you? Where are you calling from and what's your name, please?
Good evening.
Okay, good evening. You're welcome, my sister. Where are you calling from and what's your name, please?
Hello.
Hello, I can hear you, but we are not seeing whom we are talking to. Everywhere is dark and I cannot hear you clearly. Can you speak up a bit louder and tell us your name and where you're calling from? Thank you.
Good evening. Are you hearing me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. You're welcome to the program. Where are you calling from? For the benefit of those that are watching us for the first time.
I'm calling from Italy.
Okay. Your name, please. I already know
My
you.
name is
I already know. For the
Grace.
benefit of those that are calling, please.
No problem.
Okay.
So, like you were saying.
Oh, we lost that caller again. What's really happening? Is it that network is not good or I don't really know? You just said it's not this last man. Okay, I don't really understand. Maybe you share, I guess you can call in and let's bring you to the camera. You can be able to speak to them so that they will know that what we are doing is real, not fake, okay? She's a white woman all the way from Switzerland. She joins us on this program every day. We are doing this program. She have never missed anyone. Though she didn't really start from the first day we started the program, but when she come across the program since that very day, I think she have joined us for about 3 programs we have been doing for now. Since she come across the program, she loved it and she has been following us up since then. So I guess this will be a kind of encouragement to you guys to also follow up. I know that so many people will not like to watch this kind of live video because they don't want to learn, but whoever that really want to learn, this kind of live video he or she need to follow up with. At least for me alone, at least if not for any other thing, I've learned a lot of things this particular night. Now we are discussing on this issue of love. Now I've learned so many things. So what you don't know is what you can never, and it's what you always kill. But if you know, it will help you to go a long way in life. So I believe that everybody is watching. The line is free as well. The comment box is free. You can call in, make your own contribution. Let's keep sharing the program because we might hear something different from what we have been talking about, what we have been saying. We might hear something different from that. We mean the comment from the man that he said there is no love in Europe. Okay? So Ishel is talking about the guy that said there's no love in Europe. She's telling you there's love in Europe. Okay. You're welcome back, my sister.
Hello.
Yeah, you're welcome back, my sister. Please speak a bit loud.
Are you hearing me now?
Yeah, I can hear you, but at least add a little more volume so that others can still hear you as well.
Okay, so you can hear me now.
Yeah, so
at first you said, what is love, right?
Yes. What is love and does true love fade?
Yes. Okay, first, in my own definition, love can be defined as a strong feeling or affection.
Okay. Oh, we lost that caller again. We lost her again. Oh, what is really happening? What is really happening? We have some few minutes, no more hours. We have some few minutes to go. Remember, we are ending this live by 12 dots. Okay, so we can be able to sleep and get ready for work. Okay, please, the network, Miss Grace said bad network. Is it my network or your network? I don't really know. Please let me know if it's my network or your network because I know that I have good network today because since all this while I've been doing live video, I've been doing this program. I think today is one of the best days we have best network. You guys can bear me witness for that, but they will have best network, not so much call that is coming in. Maybe people are afraid of answering this question. When I want to leave me for Junction, yeah, B. That's when I want B. That's when I want to leave me for Junction. So when I want me to do this program, when I want me to talk this topic, I remember, no, we're not going to change. I must, we'll die here, we'll finish here. When I talk on our own, then I will. Yes, it's network, bro. Network is good. Since I've been doing this program, today is one of the best they'll have network on this program that, you know, that you can talk, you know, the way once you're calling, I will notify that you're calling. Because on some other days, it gets somehow bored when people are calling and I won't see who is calling. I will be complaining, I'm calling. But today, everything is fine. Okay, back to the comment box. Yusha said network is good. Helen said I normally do. Okay, you're welcome. Sorry. Okay, Helen said sorry. Okay, maybe it's talking about the network. Okay, so sorry about the network, Sha. But please keep on sharing the video. Keep on telling your friends about this particular program because it's good for us to educate one another. You see, you're educating me, and I'm also educating you. So many people will be thinking I'm using Wi-Fi. No, I don't have internet in my house. I do subscription to make sure that I do this program. Okay, and that's to show a kind of sacrifice I'm making to make sure that we learn from each other. So don't think I have internet in my house. I don't know what to do with the internet. That's why I'm doing this program. No,
It's not.
I pay for the program. That's why we're doing it.
Why I say it's network
Okay.
because I'm still using Wi-Fi.
Okay, you're using Wi-Fi. I'm using my data, so it's different thing. I'm not using Wi-Fi.
Maybe.
So maybe
I
a
don't
lot
know.
of people.
I don't know. That's why I was
Maybe the
saying.
Wi-Fi you're
Maybe
using, a lot of people is using it as well. That's why it's hanging.
yes, and that's why I say maybe network.
Yeah. So
As I was saying before, when Elise say it's because the man was he went to Nigeria to go and marry another woman and bring it back. That is why that woman he misused the time and he leave the man.
oh, we lost that caller again. You see, he said he's using Wi-Fi. That's why the call is always ending. You understand? So I'm not using Wi-Fi. I'm using my data on my phone. So when the network gets better, I believe we're gonna call back. Then we talk about this once and for all. So please don't forget to join us again on Sunday because we are going to be discussing another interesting topic on Sunday. I believe that everyone is gonna contribute on that topic that very day. That topic is gonna be a bomb. On Sunday topic is going to be hot as well.
Your caller too they lost so why
Now Wi-Fi then they use. Now you say me they use my data. You know,
I think they use the same Wi-Fi too now.
It depend on number of people that use the Wi-Fi. You understand?
No, now me and my friend they use the Wi-Fi together, Sha.
Now that you and that guy will call now 12 na day. You're not only two people that use the Wi-Fi, but first those one where they call it now. I don't know how many they use the Wi-Fi. You understand?
So many of your callers they lost where they don't want. I don't know whether the network they fear them to talk. I
don't know because if you watch this, when they do this program, now today be the best they will get network. Sure, you know.
Yeah.
Because if they call before, the thing they show say person they call. I go the beg say the person write the comment. But today, once person just call, we just show. No say I just the pick call. Thing just the come up. But now their network not come good. But my own good.
So let's give last opinion because
okay.
you don't already round up now.
Now around 12 o'clock I go round
up.
So
you get one music. You get one of Lucky Dube music when I listen to.
Okay.
That's 1964. Okay. He said now of these days, women want to become men by themselves.
Okay.
So now Lucky Dube can reply the same. Over my dead body, I will not make tea for a woman.
Wow. What's if the title of the music?
I'll send I'll give you for your this thing.
Messenger.
I will message you for the music. Okay, so he said over my dead body, I will not make this for a woman. So now something I made the guy talking.
Okay.
He said now of these days, women want to become men by themselves. Women want to be men by themselves. Over my dead body, I will not make tea for a woman. You understand? So now something they bring something. So make everybody when they watch, make they try learn something. You understand? So your show they pay me say my people know they want the come up. You understand? So your show.
No, the only thing you go make and make blue, make people they come more. Now how take invite you, how take explain and give your friends. Then they say, this program now free program. We say if you express your feeling, how take say about once about marketing, how take convince the person, now go buy your goods.
Yeah, because
some people when they watch, some of them when they watch and now they come here because they know me in person as their friend. Understand? That's why it depends on how I take introduce the program to them. That's why they watch the program, they call put. You understand? Some of them don't even get waiting to talk, but because I was saying I mean they do I take talk to them. They just on and just they watch and they don't go talk. Because now so it depends on how I take explain and give your friend.
That make I tell you before saying this life everybody gets his own life to live. You understand?
Yeah.
All most people will be saying they will just look at the life video, they will take as nothing. Now this is now they affect many of us.
Now so now.
Because they go just call, hello baby, I love you, I want born. You go born, crazy go mother, you go. Other one go born, you go born, you go crazy go mother, you go. Just now, most of them, I see all of them for streets here.
You see. But if
my brother, there's no different way they Germany and Italy or other European countries. Now the way you take tidy yourself, now you still be German person. If you not tidy yourself, well, you not now still the same thing. You not be say maybe you did Germany, you did Italy, all those kind people did Italy will be say they get life past who did Germany. More they told the truth. Now me they talk and so Anderson. No show. Everybody gets his own life to live, but people just say you did Germany, you are living well, you are good, or all those. Nah, lie. Nobody they live well, bro. More they thought the fact.
No, I wonder maybe before this year runs out, I'll come to Germany. Maybe then you go see.
My brother, any city where you did, if you did along Cologne to Bielefeld, I will fit come. You're not too far.
No, well, I just want to spend like 2 weeks. I guess I just want to go on holiday. Our school goes soon close, so if I close my school, I need to go for holiday. I check whether I'll come Germany.
Everywhere good.
They're coming for Switzerland and Spain with Germany. Now I don't know. And if I don't decide where I'll go, either Germany or Switzerland or Spain, I never decide. But anyone will decide. I'll feel like if I Germany, I'll later come, I'll let you know.
If you call Germany anywhere where you are there for Germany, but not go all those Munich side, all those Bayern Munich. Just come Cologne side. If you come Cologne side, I'll fit transit meet you. Okay, but if you go Bayern Munich side, all those 4 hours, 6 hours, I know if you go.
No, well, everywhere good, everywhere clear.
I need you, Baba. I so much appreciate you. I love you for your show. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you too. Thank you so much.
I greet you, brother. No matter what, God will still make you who you want to be in life. You understand?
Amen.
Determine your pocket is determine the people you want to help in life. That's just it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Bro. Not anybody. I greet you, Baba.
Okay,
you get man. All right, now. Good night.
Okay, now. See you on Sunday now.
All right.
Okay,
I expect you.
Okay, now. Bye. So, guys, you are seeing it. We are still going on the show. I'll be running up by 12 o'clock. So, Germany, Swiss, and Switzerland and Spain that are asked for me to come over there. Just give me some time. I will make things up. Then finally, when I'll be going, I will let you guys know the city I'll be coming on. So maybe I'll mark out time to visit these 3 people these 3 countries that are inviting me right away. So if I'm coming, I will let you guys know where and how you can meet me in person if you want to meet me in person. So let me quickly go back to the comment box. Helen said sorry. Okay. Friday boss said boss. Okay, you're welcome. It's Prince said okay, and Helen said that is my brother. Okay, I don't know who is your brother. You can let us know. That is my brother. Okay. Helen said call him. Okay. Are you calling? If you're calling, call now because the line is free. Then Bella Gold said okay. That's her own contribution. Then It's Prince said amen to everybody. Okay. You're welcome. So the line is still open. If you want to call, you can call in and make your own contribution. The line is still open. waiting for us to do justice to this particular topic we are discussing. So remember that we are going to be ending this live video by 12 o'clock, and you join us back again on Sunday by 9 o'clock. Okay, so that's how we normally do it every Wednesday and Sunday. So bring up a topic and you talk about it, you do justice to it, and make everything may look nice. Understand? So the show is still on. The line is still open. The comment box is still there, free for you to write in your comments. And don't forget to share and invite your friends. Anderson was saying something about that he's not happy, that is not encouraged the way people are watching the live video. But my brother, I won't kill myself. I'm just doing I'm just doing my own little. I'm just trying my own little best. Okay, you guys can also help me to share the video and that is explain to your friends. And I believe one person out there might need this kind of program that will transform his or her life. Understand? Because I believe that he just said that in Germany, single wonderful everywhere. They'll just meet and they'll give birth, just born, all that. That's not life. A life that you don't plan for your children now. How would you want them to continue to live that kind of good life you want? As a mother, you're the man that pregnant you is not right there beside you when you're giving birth. After giving birth, he's not there to raise the kid up with you. Okay, when that child grows up and asks you, mommy, where's my dad? What will you tell him, or what will you tell her? How will you face she or he? Or how will you face them to tell them that the man that pregnanted you to give birth to them is marrying another woman out there, staying with another woman, with another kids there? And probably, see, at the end of the day, maybe that's your daughter or that's your son now may fall in love with that man's daughter or son again. That's how we start seeing all this taboo that is happening. Please, let's share this program. Tell your friends, girls, most especially we girls, those girls here in Italy, in East Europe. Just try let your friends to know that that all this free Wi-Fi you guys are using, you're watching more film, movies, all this, that cannot even help you, that cannot even benefit you anything. You can still spend more, just a little minute from it by watching this kind of program. You get some knowledge, get some ideas from that. Believe me, no knowledge is a waste. We have another call in the building. We are rounding up. Okay, Saint Chuku JP, all the way from Italy here. Always join us in this program. So tell us once again, tell us where you're calling from and your name for the benefit of those that are watching us, please.
Innocent, my name. Calling from Italy.
Okay, so what do you have to tell us about the topic we are discussing today?
Though I did come on time.
Okay.
So I was doing something. So if you can tell me the topic so that
the topic we are discussing today is what is love, and can real love fade away? True love, can it fade away? Oh, we lost that caller again. I'm so sorry about that. But while we are still waiting for the last, we will just need only 2 callers again before we end today's video. Let me quickly read down the comments you have here. Wisha said good night is a very good topic. Okay, it's a very good topic today. Like all times with you, Chris. Okay, thank you very much. The topic is super. Wow, thank you so much. Then Helen said, bros, with time it will work. Okay, thank you very much. It's Prince said good night too. We see on Sunday. Okay, we're gonna see on Sunday, no problem. I think Senchuku is back. Isha said yes, I post it when it's your topic all time. Okay, thank you for doing that. Okay, welcome back, Senchuku. Tell us what you have to tell us.
Okay. Love is an innermost something. It's something that comes inside your heart.
Okay.
You cannot just see somebody walking on the road or walking on the street. You just say, I love you. It's a thing that will come from your heart.
Okay.
It's a thing that will come from you just love somebody for no reason. You just love somebody for no reason. You cannot love somebody because of the benefit. You cannot love somebody because of the height. You cannot love somebody because of the finger. I've seen so many girls, even back then. I ask a girl, why did you love this your boyfriend? Say, I just love this my boyfriend because of his fingernails. I was like, this guy, is he crazy? How can you love someone because of fingernails?
Okay, what if that fingernails is being cut off? What will happen?
So we just say, I just love this boy because of the dread he carry. Some will say, I love this boy because of the height.
Yeah.
But to me, all those are not love. If you want to love somebody, you don't love somebody for no reason. Oh, I love this boy. I don't know the reason why I love this boy for no reason. Whether he has money or whether I don't have money.
Yes.
I just love this boy.
Yes.
That is called real love. Because if you love someone for no reason, you love that person for no reason because the person does not have money, he have money, he does not have money. You just love that person for no reason. But
yes.
if you have, because they say love is unconditional. Because if you love somebody with condition, that love will not last. Okay, yes. You love somebody with condition because of the benefit you are getting. You love somebody because of what you are achieving from that person. What if that thing now fade up?
Yeah.
Meaning the love have wiped out. And you said other thing again. You said love. Can love fade away?
Yes.
Yes, love can fade away. If it's true love, I can say true love can still fade away. Because maybe for example now, someone now love you. Just love you like I explained just now. Love is unconditional. But because of, let me put for example now, let me use myself as an example. I saw somebody, a girl now, and I fell in love with her for no reason. Then tomorrow, she's not doing what I don't like, continue to do it. It can fade away. It can fade away because that interest, that love I have for it, with time, I think it can fade away. You understand?
Yeah.
But since I came to this Europe, and I find that the word love, I don't know if it's existing, but to me, if you thought love is existing in this Europe, it's 2%. It's 2%. And that you see, let's trade this thing. It's 2%. And that 2%, maybe for example now, then when I was in Nigeria, and then I came to Europe, then the girl I was dating before in Nigeria, she not come along with me here. I think that relationship will still work out by the special grace of God. You will still work out. You understand? Yeah. But you now find a girl in this Europe and you want to fall in love with her. It takes the grace of God before it works. Because most of my guys I normally say their girlfriend, they came along all the way from Nigeria. Up till now, their relationship is still working. The reason is that because they have understand themselves back then. So that's the reason why the relationship is still working. So the reason why love is not working here is that because of the benefit. You see a girl, you see a girl, you want the guy to have everything before he can follow that guy, before he can love that guy. That is not love. That is benefit. That is not love. No matter the position of the boy, no matter the position, just love the boy. The future is bright. But now these days, I can tell you 99% of our girls in the whole world, I don't know about the white people. The white people, if you talk about love, the white people, they practice love. But we black, we don't practice love. We practice, all our mind is to money. Money is not everything. Money is not everything. 99% of our girls, only 1% is free. 99% of our girls, they are after money. They are not after love. Sometimes you say so imagine you as a girl, you say, "Oh, love don't bath." And you say it doesn't make sense now. Say love don't bath. There's no love in this Europe. There's no love in this Europe.
Okay.
See, bros, let me just explain this to you. We are deceiving ourselves. You see this Europe, there's no love. Because the moment that thing you are giving that girl, the moment that thing stop, you see that the relationship will scatter. I'm telling you the truth.
Yeah.
We are just deceiving ourselves in this Europe. In this Europe, there's no love. It's a matter of benefit.
Okay.
You understand? There's no love. So in terms of that, let me just throw small light in that Germany issue.
Yeah.
You see that Germany, people are shouting single mother, single mother, single mother, single mother, single mother. You see, they are practicing, those are our guests in Germany. They are practicing what the whites they are doing. They make a word. They say when you come to Roma, you behave like a Roma. So our Nigerian people, they are using that word. When you come to Roma, you behave like Roma. They use that word. They took that evil spirit and took it along to Germany. How can a young girl gave birth to a child at the end of the show because of the benefit, because of the money the government are giving them, it will deny her husband. You see, single mother, they are the cause of their single mother.
Okay.
It's not they are the cause of their single mother. You understand? They just want to be alone because of the money.
Yeah.
They just want to be alone because of the money. Say single mother. Who is the cause of those single mother? Those girls are the cause of the single mother. It's not the boys. It's not the guy that pregnant them. They are the cause of the single mother. They themselves are the cause of the single mother because of the money, because of the benefit. How much are they giving you? The money is not up to 1,000 euro. Because of that, you deny your spouse because of 1,000 euro. Money is not up to 1,000 euro. You deny him because of you want to collect money. I enter my Facebook just now. I saw so many girls every week. I know it's good to give birth, but the rate of our Nigerians giving birth in Germany is too high. Let's face life. You gave birth this year, now next year you are still giving another birth again. Is it a competition, or are you dragging something from someone? You understand? It's not good. See, we have to respect ourselves. We have to respect ourselves in this Europe. You understand? You have to respect ourselves. Our people here, they just take this thing essence. You know, when you give a black man chance
just
to
round
do
up.
something.
Someone else is calling, so I can be able to take out the last
When
caller.
you give, especially we black, when you give us that chance and opportunity, we misuse it and we use it anyhow. It's not good. You said single mother. Let me throw it again. Those girls are the cause of their single mother, not the guys.
Thank you very much for your own contribution. I so much appreciate. Just sit back and hear the final caller for the show, so we can be able to end for today's show and watch on Sunday. Problem. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Yeah. So you guys have just heard what Saint Chuku just said, all the way from Italy. But before I bring the last caller up to the camera, before I end up the show, I really want to say this. I just want to ask this one question. Please, girls that are claiming single mothers, what will it benefit you? What will it benefit you to deny your son or deny your daughter the joy of a father? What will it benefit you? Just that 400 euro or 500 they are paying, or 700 euro, whatever. How can you take because of money to deny your baby the joy of being with his or her father? Please think about this word. So let me bring up the last caller on this program before we round it up for today. While I'm bringing the caller up, let me just quickly read. Please just give me some minute. Let me just quickly. Okay, there's not much. Okay, talk to me. There's not much comment. So
yeah, bro, that man that just called last is right in a way, but two, you know, when they start talking about Germany, I was laughing. I'm in Germany too, so it's where I live. I will also talk about it. You know, this single mother of a thing is just a personal issue. They just want to be a single mother for their reasons.
Okay.
For their own reasons. Is a personal decisions.
Yeah.
I can't say I want to be a single mother now, because picking where two people raise it, they hard, talk less of one person.
Sure.
It's stupidity. I call it stupidity. You know, I've been here for more than 4 years now. Many people are asking me, you not go born? I will born when I'm married. They're not, they forbid if I enter husband house before I born. I have some friends here. They are not married. They don't have child. It doesn't mean you are in Germany that you have to. There are some single ladies here too. They are not married. They don't have a child. They are still waiting for the right man before children. Yeah. Not everybody that are here that want to do it. Okay, fine. There are a lot of women that the men abandon. But if the man did not abandon you, the man is alive. I see no reason of denying that child the father love or in fact they will sister, reap what they are sowing.
Let me ask you this. Sorry that I cut you short. Sorry that I stop you from what you're saying. I really want to understand something. You said something and the other guy said something. I really want to pick something out of this. Is it that the women are the one chasing the men away, or the men are the one chasing the women away in terms of
it's the both?
It's the both.
Yeah.
So in this issue now,
men they do, but the men most of the men, they are from another country. They will get a woman pregnant and push them to Germany or France.
Okay.
But the ones that are here that are getting pregnant, number one, there's these people they call social. You will know it now, yeah.
Yeah.
Social. They normally advise some women, which is they are so stupid. They listen to them because they want to live like them. They will say, when you're a Roma, you act like a Roma. You understand? Those people, they try to talk to them to convince them to leave the man. And those women stupidly,
they will leave the man.
And leave the man, which is wrong. You understand?
Yeah.
It's their own opinion. It's how they want to live their life. But definitely, they will reap what they are sowing. They don't know that they are destroying the future of those kids.
Yeah.
Really, it's going to affect those children.
Yeah, because if you watch, some of these things that are happening right now is because of all this single mother of a thing. Because when you cannot be able to introduce your baby to his or her father.
Hey, Jewel, I'm not lying. You know what I'm saying, girl.
Yes, sir. When you can't be able to introduce your baby to his or her father, and at the end of the day, the father got married to another girl and give birth, you see that at the end, two of them might fall in love to each other, and to separate that kind of love is very, very hard and difficult. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
So the main point.
But this single mother of 18 is two different single mothers that are here. Yeah. Some are with the man, not that they are not with the man.
Yeah.
They are with the man, but they lied to the government that this is what they want to do. They are no, those things for some security reasons.
Yeah.
But some decide not to stay with the man. And some of the men are misbehaving. I can't die because I want to marry, number one.
Yeah.
Number two, you can't die because you want to marry.
Yeah.
Before you have a child for a man, you have to understand the man if he really wants, or you have to understand the woman if she really wants to stay.
Yeah.
Not be everything where they see that they choke. You understand? So that single mother of 18 is personal reasons. Anybody can do what he or she wants. They want it, but definitely they are going to enjoy it time to come. I call it enjoying, because when the children start stoning them or insulting them, definitely they will know that they have done wrong.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay, thank you very much. But there's something I want to ask, and I'm not asking only Helen. I'm just doing this. I'm just doing this openly to everyone that is watching this program. It's a kind of a suggestion. I don't know if you people suggest that we should do it this way, that you're gonna help the program. I think it's gonna be okay. Can we be doing that after end of each program? We should talk about the next topic we are going to discuss, the upcoming program, so that people can have an idea of what you're going to do next time. Should we do it that way, or should we just leave everything, then on Sunday or during that program we just bring up the topic? So what do you think?
For my own idea, because when some people are watching you, you can just talk about the topic of next time. Okay. It might thrill some people. And for example, if I want to tell someone about this program, I'll just say, girl, on Sunday 9 o'clock I have one program that I'm watching titled,
Then the title is just let's educate each other. The title of the program is let's educate each other, but the topic just
let's educate.
Let's educate each other. I always put it there. Let's educate each other.
Okay. And the topic, you're supposed to talk about the topic, so people will pick, they'll say, okay, I will watch it since this thing is interesting. Maybe it might be something that is disturbing someone. Yeah. So he or she might decide to say, okay, I will keep to the time, Okay. You know how it is now.
Yeah, let me see your vote. You have just said your own mind, and I have just barely 18 minutes to go. So in this 18 minutes to go now, please, if you're in support of what you just said now, that you should be leaving the topic for next program at the end of each program, just say yes, or just say yes, I support, so I can know the number of people that said that.
Someone said no.
You see, so it's better we just say the person that is the program you're watching. The title is Let's Educate Each Other. Understand? So when we come on that program, then I will not talk about the topic. Then we'll discuss. Let's just continue doing it. But the title of this program is Let's Educate Each Other.
Let's educate each other. Okay.
So thank you very much for your own contribution. Let me just read out the comment before we round up for today's program. Okay.
All right. Bye.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you so much. So you guys have heard what is happening in the building. I guess you guys are enjoying every bit of this program. So its prince said good night too. We see Sunday, okay? Then you share said yes. I post it when it's your topic all time, okay? She's always sharing our topic, okay? Anton is half 1,900 friends of the world in Facebook, okay? Its prince said Sunday time is 9 p.m., okay? That's true. Exactly 9 p.m. we started off. Then Helen just laughed. Princess Joel said, Helen, don't lie, okay? Princess Joel said, no social no social will tell you to stay a single mother, okay? No social will tell you to stay a single mother, okay? Yusha said, compliment. She says the truth, okay? That's good. Princess Joy said, it's a choice, okay? It's Prince said, take my dear Helen, okay? It's Prince said no, okay, we should not share the topic, okay, that's good. And best guy said, to me, I think it's not a personal reason, but a circumstances because I think nobody wants to be a single. Okay, that's I've already started discussing this topic. I've not even said it. You guys have already started discussing about single mother issue, but no worry, that's going to be another topic for next time. So, who's going to be the best and the lucky last caller for this program? We just have about 15 minutes to go. We are waiting for the last caller. Who's going to be this lucky last caller and the lucky comments. So, 15 minutes to go. The line is open. The comment box is there awaiting. So, who's going to be the lucky caller? Who is going to be luckiest and the last caller for the program for today? We are looking forward to see who that. I should just stop that, okay? I don't accept calls. You can call to the program direct. Stop calling me on Messenger. I won't accept your call. I'm so sorry for that. We are doing something serious. We are doing serious business here. Educating each other, and you're busy calling me on Messenger. Please, just stop that because I won't answer your call. And stop interrupting the program. Okay? So, who's going to be the last lucky caller on today's edition of this program? Who is going to be that person? Who's going to be that person? So, guys, you guys have seen what happened today. If you didn't learn anything, at least learn from what Anderson, Saint Chuku, It's Prince, Helen, Selena Gianfranco, Miss Grace, and a lot of them, even you share said. It's Prince started, you said there's two types of love, material love and natural love. So my guy, many things that happen mostly in this Europe. Then, so you guys just get ready on Sunday topic, because that on Sunday topic, if you don't contribute, put waiting you gain, because that topic is gonna be bomb. You understand? I know that many people would like to be calling in. I'm just praying that after this, I'll still have enough data to host that Sunday's program. But even if I didn't host that Sunday program because I don't have data, I must find a way to do it. Trust me, I cross my heart. Anywhere in a way, you understand? No, leave English one side, most speak small broken before we finish the program. Anywhere in a way at all, must they do this program? Whether one person they watch them or whether nobody they watch them, I must just do them. Once it don't reach time, I tell they stop, I'll just stop and go share them, because I know say journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step. You understand? So if I keep on saying that I don't have enough people watching this, I don't know. By sharing it, by posting it after doing it, someone might come across it and it may be what that person has been looking for, how to get a solution to. Then it will be of help to the person. So please keep on sharing this program. tell your friends more about it. I know that so many people don't know about this program. They thought it's just an ordinary live video. No, it's not. Okay, who is this best? Who is this last? Okay, since Chuku have won this lucky. Wow. Good night, bros. Okay, Helen just said good night. Okay, sleep well. Okay, sleep tight. Good night. See you on Sunday. Bye. Yes, Chuku, talk to us.
I just want
Yes,
to.
lucky color. Yeah,
I just want to. I just want to tip something.
Okay.
Each time I do ponder about this thing. I do ponder about this thing, but up till now I couldn't even get the answer. I've even asked some people.
Okay.
Most people, they have given me the same answer.
Okay.
They always say, why is it that girls have this fish fish brain?
Okay.
This
Okay. Oh, we lost that color. Fish brain again. Okay. Nah. I'm not go finish it for this program, I beg. I'm not go finish it for this program. Oh. Good night. Okay. Last caller. Time to go. Last caller. We just have barely 10 minutes to end this program. Yeah, you're welcome back. You're welcome back.
According to Saint, that guy just made consent was talking just on the comment.
Yeah.
You see, say some girls. Well, what he's trying to say, I'm understanding. He said they have fish and brain.
Yeah.
When they are talking about fish, they say the first brain they create was man.
Yeah.
After they create man, they now look at how man cannot be only one man cannot be survived alone.
Yeah.
And now say let us just take one this thing, one bowl for the man for you to create.
Oh, we still lost that caller. What is happening to guys? What's happening tonight? What is happening tonight? This is gonna be the last call. Just have 5 minutes. Okay. So about 9 minutes to go. 9 minutes to go. Best guy said good night, bro. Thank you so much. Good night too. Have a wonderful night rest, okay? Oh, I thought Helen has slept. She's even laughing. Wow, Kevin is calling back. Okay. Wow, a lot of callers now coming in. Okay, you're welcome back, my brother. Round up. You want to round up your topic, right?
Good evening, my brother. I've listened to many people.
Just round up your topic.
I've listened to many people.
So
like
you have been around this way.
Yeah. I've been around. As my brother says, so women also girls have fish brain. All girls have fish brain. Let me tell you something. I want to make a point.
This topic this night.
Yeah, so I want to make a point there. You see,
yeah,
girls, women are so generous.
Yeah.
Some things that women will do, women cannot do it. Like for example, you will cheat on your girl. You will beg for forgiveness. He will forgive you with his whole heart. But a guy is very difficult for a guy to see his girlfriend or his fiancé or his wife fornicating with another man or dating with another guy. That to forget totally. He will repeat that word for many years before he will leave that word as a guy. You see, women have soft mind.
I have an emergency in my house. That's why the alarm is blowing. I have an emergency in my house. So don't worry about that. So talk to me.
You see, girls, women, they have soft mind, which is they easily forgive. They easily forget about things. Just do something, you will look at, I love this guy, they will forgive you because of they still love you. It's not like boys that we hold something tight, we will not let it go. I hope you are getting me. But we should not forget that women are very dangerous. Women may be good, easily to control, easily to turn around, easily to give. We will take that advantage to sharpen on them. They are very dangerous. If a woman wants to kill you, it will take a second, my brother. I will make 3 examples. I will give 3 examples. 1, woman can kill you through food. We boys, we like women that know how to cook very well. Say this woman, no, you know how to cook very well. Through food, you are gone.
Okay.
Secondly, true talk. Woman will be talking to you, but you are facing your death. We'll be laughing, smiling, kissing you, but you are dead this night. Thirdly, I'm telling you the truth, bro. Thirdly, woman can kill you through sex. Woman can have something in mind. It will still open her leg for you to do whatever you want to do. I will advise that we should not offend them where they are generous to us. Because if a woman mean you, my brother, death is too near for you. Death is too near. So I see love issue, love thing as like something like we have to share it together, like boy and a girl. It's both two sides. You understand? When a woman truly loves you, give back the love to her. Show her love. Let her know that truly you care about her. The way you presented yourself is how a woman will look at you. You don't expect to meet a woman.
Please round up. Just have 5 minutes.
I want
just
to round up.
Okay.
I want to round up. You don't expect a woman to meet you in clubhouse and you expect it to call you sir, or to respect you as a banker or a medical doctor. You will always remember where you people meet. A woman that met you inside the market, you will always remember where you people meet. A woman that meets you a party, you will always remember where people meet. It's a woman that meets you in a very good condition, when you wear suit, you dress normal, you look responsible, you approach her, you will always remember how you people met, and it will give you that respect. You understand? We should respect them in as much as they should respect us. What we give back to them, they will give to us. That's all I just have to say. Good night.
Okay, thank you very much. Let me just use. Okay, I can see you on Sunday, guy. Okay, see you on Sunday, child. Bye. Okay, let me just use these 3 minutes I left now just to round everything up. I'm not going to accept any more calls again. Please don't call. I will not accept the call. I'm so sorry. I will not accept any call again. Let me just read the comments and then I will round off. Helen just laughed and he said no. Helen said thanks. Okay. Innocent said Leo. Innocent Chuku said who they shake this table. Okay. And I said, my brother, man will know himself. Na woman, no woman go kill and trust me. As a man, you need to be alert in terms of woman matter. Well, that's for your own opinion. And Helen said, thank you, bro. We are the best. Okay, so we draw to a close this night. We draw the program to a close this night. So please, I believe that everybody have heard all the things we have just said, and I believe we have learned from each other tonight, and I myself have learned a lot. So please get ready and get prepared. You see Sunday topic. In fact, I'm going to, out of the whole question that comes, I'm going to check the easiest one that everybody would like to. That it's going to be like a fight, like a dragon. They go the dragon. I go even the beg me and not call again. They go the call. That's Sunday topic. Just go balance well. If you don't get data, go reach out. Because for me, I'll go prepare myself where I come down Sunday to make sure say internet know this. I so much love the way things went through today. The internet did not disturb me or cause any problem. So I also want to send my appreciation to every one of you that have joined me on this program. So each and every one of you that watch this program, I say thank you very much. And those of you that's going to watch it later this night or whenever you come up and see this program through share or anything at all, please, we encourage each other to join this program. You can learn a lot of things from this program. Forget about all these watching cartoon, all those comedy of a thing. Those comedy are for you to just laugh. Yes, I'm not saying that laugh is not good. To laugh is good, but at least you have to have something upset that will make you to feel, as in, to know what the direction you are going towards in life. Understand? I learned a lot of things through these things. Know that forget I'm the one that is doing it, but at least through your own opinion, through your own talk, as in, I pick a lot of things that will help me in my marriage life tomorrow. Because each and every one of us must definitely get married. So through this thing we are sharing together now, you know that whenever you come in contact to all this kind of this program, you know where to start from. So please, Don't be stingy with this word. Don't be stingy with this program. Tell your friends. You can give your friend money. You eat it and forget about the money. You can give your friends clothes. You can wear the clothes and to throw it away. But if you introduce this program to him or her, and the word that he understand from here, it's something that he or she learned from this place, can keep her or can keep him for the rest of his or her life. Please, I tell God, beg you. I pay for data for doing this program. I don't have Wi-Fi, I don't have internet in my home, but to show that I really want to impart this message or impart this knowledge within ourselves, we youth, most especially we youth. I subscribe to make sure that I didn't disappoint any of you that will keep on doing this program. So do your own part by helping me, by inviting your friends, share this program. I'm not asking for friendship. You can only tell them to watch. Don't send friend requests to me. Don't be my friend. Don't follow me. I'm not asking for friendship or followership. If you check my friendship, I have the friend list I have. It's clocking about 4,000 plus. And I don't even have time to chat all of them at once. As you're even doing this live, you can see with yourself. So many people are calling me. So many people are sending me a private message, but I can't talk to them because of this program. So just watch. Don't follow me. Don't add me as a friend. I'm not asking for your friendship. I'm not asking for your followership, please. People boast with that, but I don't know. I just want us to rub mind together. That's all. But if you still think that to send me friend requests will make things easier for you, that I have something to tell me personal that you don't want to discuss openly here, fine. I can accept your friend request. I'm not against that, but I'm not doing this program for you to send me friend requests to add me up. Please, I said I can't answer any call again. You see, so many people are calling me now, but I can't answer any call again. I'm so sorry about that. So just leave it on Sunday. You call, try and be the first person to watch the program on Sunday and call and make your own contribution. Then you sit back and hear what others are saying. At least you will have made your own contribution. So thank you very much. It's already 12 o'clock. And thank you so much for watching this program. Thank you so much, and God bless you for watching. See you on Sunday, exactly 9 o'clock in the night. That's when we come back to you again. Thank you so much. My name remains Chris Nkume. So thank you so much for watching. Bye. Love you.